Yo, yo, yo. Hello, hello, and welcome. Welcome to. This is now part number 35 in the Yippee mobile game building development iteration stream. Yes, that is good. Yeah. We've got some interesting things planned. Yeah, we're at the kind of the latter stretch, I would say, in terms of what progress we have remaining to do. We've got mainly just like the bug things to fix all the many such bugs present in the app, as well as to make the things look nice on iPad. Yeah, pretty much those two things. But we are done with the feature development. And yeah, in the last stream we were doing some bug removal as well. So probably I'm thinking we might do a little bit of that this stream. And I think also maybe I was thinking also to make the game a bit easier, like fine tune the things, like, you know, make it easier for the player to like defeat the enemies and progress and such. Yeah, so that's kind of what we're planning on. So that'll be quite good. But yeah. Without further ado, let's just jump into it. How about it? Yeah, so here we are. Here we are with the things. There was a kind of a mega oof bug in the last stream, which was like, it had to do with like node count actually. Yeah, so if I bring that back up, there was a big mega oof. It's like you see the node count in the bottom right. We were trying to make it so that it kind of stayed around the same number. And we got that to work for like deleting the enemies, but not for these structures. And I'm not gonna lie, yeah, I tried fixing this one off stream, but it was pretty gnarly. Yeah, I think I got down to where it is, like where this bug is happening, but not how to fix it. So I'm gonna kind of switch gears and do some other bug fixing and also some gameplay tuning. And then we'll probably get back to that one. But yeah, that was a gnarly one. Yeah. Oh, yeah, what's that, Sputnik? What shall we do? Make the pit under thy bridge lava? Ooh, that's an interesting idea. I actually was thinking on adding like water and lava at some point. Yeah, that could definitely be done. Because the thing is, I do have like a function right now which like converts all these blocks down here to dirt. Like you can see, these aren't like grass, they're like, there's like dirt under the bridge. But I could change that to lava. That could be actually yeah, I think that would be a good idea, because like that only involves like creating like one texture, and I pretty much have the code for it already, so it's like it's not even like that much out of the way. And I was planning on like adding lava anyway. So like lava under the bridge. I could do something where it's like it spawns it beneath like every other bridge or something, like randomly. Yeah. Also, welcome, Drop Shot Pat. Yeah, yippee. That is the name of the game. That is what we are doing. We do the yippies around here. Yeah. But yeah, that's a good suggestion, Sputnik, because as far as like code-wise goes, like we pretty much have it to where we can do that pretty easily. And I do have my methods of getting textures into the game. Yes, my secret method. Yes, so we can get lava in, and it wouldn't be too out of the way. Yeah, so I think that would be pretty good. Yeah. Indeed. But yeah, we're doing some more of a little bit of the bug fixing things. Yeah, there's some pretty gnarly ones left. Like we're kind of at the point where like the only things we have left to fix are kind of the hardest ones, unfortunately. But sooner rather than later, we must achieve we must achieve victory in defeating these insects, these bugs. Yes. So let us do such things, and that would be quite good. Yeah. Let's see what we got going on here. I think maybe one of the bugs I want to fix is like the ruby drop stuff. Like I think I introduced a bug last stream with like the drop rate of the little rubies that drop on these little dudes. Yeah, I think like now when you pick these up, oh wait, no, that time it actually worked. Yeah, I remember like something happened last stream where like I picked up a ruby and it like gave me like a buttload. Like it gave me like 50 or something. But it looks like we're good on that now. Maybe the bug has fixed itself. That's like kind of like the worst scenario. It's like when a bug happens and you don't know why it happens. It's like why is my code working? Yeah, those are the most sinister kind of bugs. Yeah, but I don't know. It looks like we're good. Yeah, I think so. Let's see if we can like jump shoot this dude. It's hard to do with like a mouse, but if I had my phone, I could like use both my fingers. Okay, yeah, this is good. This is good. We're able to snipe the dudes. Yeah, so I guess we won't be fixing that ruby bug then, because it looks like we're kind of already good in that department. Yeah, so what is the next thing on the docket? One thing I kind of wanted to do was like these little dudes, the ranged ones here that shoot at us. When I hit them, they kind of like slide back, which kind of looks a bit awkward, doesn't it? It looks a little weird when you hit them, they like slide back. Maybe I wanted to make it so that like when I hit them, they do a little walking animation like we're doing, just for a little bit until they kind of slow down. Yeah, so I think we could do something like that. Make them do a little kind of walk back. Yeah. So I think we should do that. Yeah. So yeah, we can actually do that down here where we're handling like everything in our update function, our ginormous update function. Yes, not quite the best strategy for the things, but we can definitely make do as we do. Let's see what we've got going on. Yeah, so we're already looping through the enemies, so we can kind of just add the animation in outright, and I think that should be all right. That should be okay. Yeah. So I think what we should do is we should check like the enemy's current velocity and the type of enemy, and if it's like above a certain value and they're like a ranged enemy, we can make them do a little walk-in animation. How about that? Yeah, that's kind of what I'm feeling. So I think we'll just kind of yoink a little bit of this code, and then we'll check if enemy dot the thing the Roy video game and blips and chips on Rick and Morty. Oh man, oh jeez. Oh man. Oh, actually, I remember that game where it's like you play as like the dude, and it's like his real life. Oh my gosh. That is wild. Just the concepts in that show are so like meta. Like, bro, dude, imagine a game like that. It's like you're playing life, and it's like, oh my gosh, like 60 years pass. Yeah, exactly. It's like super meta. Oh my gosh. Yeah, dude, I love that show. It's got like, yeah, it's highbrow, high IQ, big brain humor, and then they explore these interesting concepts. Yeah, as much as some people can be pretty like cringe in the fan base, it's still a pretty good show. I would say. I really enjoy it. I'd say it's like probably my favorite like cartoon of all time. Yeah, maybe up there with some stuff like I like some like Adventure Time. That's a good one. I'd maybe like tie it with that. But yeah, I'm a big Rick and Morty fan myself, indeed. Yes, we are. Yeah. Let's see though. I think what we could do. Yeah, let's do this like enemy node. If the physics body velocity dx. Yeah, oh my gosh, this is a big variable. We're checking the x velocity of the thing, and then I guess we can also do like absolute value or something. How would I do that? What is this anyway? What is this DX? CG float. Yeah, absolute value. Let's see. CG float. Let me see if there's actually an absolute value function for CG float, because I've never used it. Yeah, but we want to check like the, how fast the enemies are going. Yeah. Let us see. Oh, they do have one. It's called Fabs. That is weird. Okay. Yeah. Alright, I think that's okay. And then if this is like greater than like, I don't know, some value. Like, and we need to check if they're like ranged. Yeah, then we can see what's going on. Yeah. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I tried fixing that one bug off stream where we were like trying to delete the structures when we went past them, and oh my gosh, that was a doozy, man. I could not even fix it. But like, yeah, look at all the stuff I changed. Like, even like, oh my goodness, like I was trying to like spawn some test stuff. Oh my gosh, I think I found like where the bug was, but what a nasty crawler, man. That was a gross one. Yeah, but I think we're getting close for that one. But yeah, let's see. I did some checks somewhere for checking if the enemies are like melee or ranged, because we want to check if they're like ranged. Yeah, because we want to give that little range dude a little walk-in animation when we knock him back. Yeah. So let's do such things. Yeah, I think we've got some code down here somewhere for it. Yeah, we'll traverse the noodle scape and see which noodle is the code where we do the thing. Let's see. Ah, yeah, here we go. Oh my goodness. we found some code. Yes, in our big gymongous file. Oh my. Well, it'll definitely look cleaner once I start deleting all the comments. But I'm a little bit of a code hoarder, so we kind of keep the things in there until we're 100% certain we don't need them. Yeah. Yeah, some people like to hoard things. I like to hoard commented code. Yeah, it's not a good habit, but yeah, at least you don't accidentally delete something. I'd rather have extra than too little. Yeah, we gotta be a little more clean about it. Yeah. Let's see what we got going on here. Wants us to like force unwrap this. We can do that. Why not? Let's see, what else shall we do? Oh yeah, so okay, this is deprecated then, so we can just use this ABS function. Cool. And then let's see what else do we want to do? Oh, I guess we don't really need parentheses. Yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, like Swift, you don't need the little parentheses around your if statements and such. Yeah. Although also, oh wait, did I delete some code by accident? I might have. Yeah. Listen, hey, we're just doing some yapping. We're doing a little bit of the yapping. Yeah. Well, let's see. Let us CZ or CU. Yeah. So, I think this is good. And now we need to make the little dudes do the walking thing. And I have some other code for that as well. Yeah. So let's see, because I have like some little animation code. Control Z. Control hotkey for undo. Oh yeah. There's also this like little thing you can do. You can do like discard change for like if you do any git stuff. Yeah. I know what your hotkey would be. I think for Mac, undo, it's like Command Shift Z. Yeah, so you can do like, yeah, it's like 3 keys. Yeah. Although there is a control in Mac, I guess it doesn't really. Yeah, it doesn't really do it. But yeah, it's you gotta know all the weird Mac things. Cause yeah, I used to come from Windows, and like, oh my gosh, there's like the new command key on Mac. It makes things. Yeah, you gotta like memorize everything all over again. Yeah. Once you get used to it, then it's all right. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. I think I got some animation code somewhere for making the little dudes do the little steppies, little walkies. Let's see if we can find it. I think I've got it somewhere here. In my dude. I'm like, I say like, oh, I've got it somewhere here. I sound like an actual hoarder. It's like, oh, I've got that little note my friend gave me. Let me just look through this giant pile of trash. Yeah, let's see where we can find our code. Oh my. Yes, we're quite. We've got the dirty pile here. But let us look through our dirty laundry and find the code that we need. Yeah. I think it's. I'm gonna search for it. I think it's like animation something. Animate. Yes. We'll do this. Now I'm working on getting more like organized. Yeah, true. We try and clean it a little bit, but yeah, for the time being, we make it quite messy. Yeah. Let's see. I think I've got this. I think I can do this. Yeah. And then I have an idea. I have such ideas. Let us do the thing. So well, let me first check if it works without like stopping the animation, and then we'll try and stop it. Yeah, let's make it so that when we hit them, they like start walking. Yeah, at least we can check that. Yeah, let's check this. I don't know if this 20 is good though. I'll actually probably want to print the velocity of the enemies to kind of see what value they are around. Yeah, let's see. Let us see how fast are they going? Let's check. Yeah. So, oh man, multi-finger touchpad swipes and virtual machines. Yeah, it is quite such things. Also, we crashed. Oh my. What do we crash on? That's probably the unwrap optional thing. Yeah. About the only thing Windows got right. Yeah. Yeah, they got like multi-touch. Oh, right. I think some of the Windows PCs might have stuff like that. Yeah. I think so. At least. So the thing is, interestingly, I don't even use a mouse on my Mac. I've been using the trackpad like literally forever. Yes, I do like the weird trackpad things, like the pinch to like open or close the things, and you can do like you can use like 4 fingers to like go out of a window. It's pretty wild. It's pretty wacky. We do some of the wacky things. Yeah. Let's see. I think we're crashing somewhere. Let's see. I think when we unwrap this optional here. Oh, yeah, that's kind of what I thought so. Yeah, we're crashing on here. Yeah, so we've got like a force unwrapped a nil value. Yeah, so I guess the enemy didn't have a physics body yet or something. Enemy X velocity nil. Oh. So like we spawned the enemy, but it hasn't started moving yet. Oh, okay. That's interesting. I guess we can just check like if it's nil or not. Yeah, I guess so. I guess so. Yeah, we can just check this like not nil. Yeah, how about that? How about that? Yeah, it's desktops on Windows, but I'm running a Linux VM on the other desktop in full screen borderless essentially. Oh, interesting. A Linux VM on top of it. Yeah, I had that set up one time, like very, very temporarily. Like I had like a Linux machine for an assignment on a Windows computer, and yeah, that seemed to work all right. But that, as like a permanent setup, ooh, interesting. I guess if you really don't like running the Windows stuff, yeah, because that's kind of hard for programming. I can understand that if for like if you're doing like hardcore programming and you've only got Windows, yeah, then a Linux would work much better. Yeah, I can see that. I can see that. That's pretty neat though. Yeah, I haven't explored too much in the world of VMs, but I can definitely see that benefit there. Very cool. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see the things. Oh yeah, I don't need this. Yeah, let's see this. Yeah. Also, what is this up to? Not game over. This not equal nil. Oh yeah, I think it's just like a remnant. Okay, yeah. Wait, we can rerun this. Yeah. Let's see what we've got going. Yeah. Oh yeah, the main operating systems I've used in my days have been like Windows and Mac. Yeah, pretty much. I have not really touched Linux that much. Yeah, although Mac really feels like Linux though. They've got all the like terminals, they run like Unix commands, and like, yeah, it feels pretty similar. Yeah. That's kind of my feeling on it. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I'll ever need to use a Linux, because at least the things that I do, like I pretty much, like I'm able to use my Mac for. Yeah, it's good to learn though. It's definitely good to learn. Yeah, it's always good to do the learning thing. Yeah. Well, let's see what we've got going on here. Yeah, I think this is good. So we've got like this is like 70 that they're moving at, and we're kind of hitting them to move to that speed. So let's see if he starts moving. I know he's still frozen in place, but he's doing some Michael Jackson. He's like sliding on the ground. Yeah, he's doing the moonwalk. Yeah, we've got to see. Oh, also he just like disappeared. He's disappeared on us. Well, it's a Unix environment technically. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. Yeah, it's very similar. It's like pretty much like built on the same bones, so to speak. Yeah, and you've got all those Unix commands and such in the terminal. It feels very, very close to home, very close to the Linux world. Yeah. Well, yeah, I feel like I think I've heard like one advantage of Linux is like it's much more configurable than like Mac, like infinitely more. Yeah, I think one's like closed source, and Linux is like super open, like to the point where you've got all these distros and stuff. Yeah, with all their different advantages. Yeah, so I can see why like you'd want to like customize what you have to make it very, very nice and suited for your own needs. That's very good. Yeah. On top of being like kind of like programming friendly, to be sure. Yeah, I can definitely see that. I can see that. Yeah, I guess I'm kind of like locked into Mac just because of Xcode not being available anywhere else. Yeah, probably I would have a Linux if that were not the case. Yeah, because I feel like that would be better for programming. But unfortunately, we need the Mac App Store to download the X codes. Yeah, and that only comes on the Macs. Yeah, Mr. Tim Apple of the fruit company kind of made it like that, so we would have to buy the Mac. Yes, that is a good marketing strategy, I suppose. But yeah, we got kind of caught hook, line, and sinker with that one. Yeah, that and iMovie. I also like iMovie. Yeah, but I've kind of gotten used to like Premiere now. But when I first got a Mac, I was like, oh, I need this for Xcode and iMovie. Yeah, and maybe like GarageBand too. But I'm pretty bad at making music. But it's an option though. It's an option. Yeah. Let's see. I think little Yippee here doesn't want to move his leggies. Let's see what's going on with him. Yeah, ranged Yippee is moving. Yeah. And then let's print maybe. Or actually, I think this is fine. Yeah, I think this is okay. Let's see. So this is like 60. Let's try and get it to where it's like, I guess just like above like 20 or something. Wait, isn't that what we had though? I feel like that's kind of what we had. Yeah, let's fine tune the numbers a little bit and see what's going on. Yeah, maybe one of these is false. Perhaps such things are happening. Let's see. Let us see if we can print this. Yeah, we'll check out the things, and we'll see. We shall see. So, Mr. Ranged Yippee here. Let's try and get him to move his little leggies. See if we print anything moving. Okay, well, oh wait, he is moving. I didn't even notice. Wait, he is moving now. Oh, what the heck? Oh, wait, that's good. Okay. That's we've got some promising results. Although it kind of looks like when I hit him, he like stops and then he starts again. Let's see. Yeah, because I kind of want it to be like when I hit him, he starts like moving. Until he doesn't. Yeah, kind of like that. But like it's kind of like the opposite of what he's doing. Let's see. Yeah, because it's like I want him to start moving like as soon as I hit him. He's kind of doing a little delay. I think I know why that is though. I have a feeling. I do have a feeling I know why that is. Yeah. Let me confirm my suspicions. I think it's because this value is like, it needs to be even lower. Probably like 5 or something. Or like, yeah, maybe something like that. And then we'll do this. We'll say, we'll do another one of these. And then if it's less than this, then we want to remove all actions. We make them stop moving. Yeah. I think so. Actually, I don't need to print this. It'll print for like everything. Yeah. Let's see what we've got going on. Let us take a gander. So, if I were perhaps to hit you... Oh yeah, now he doesn't even move. Uh-oh. That's no good. That's no good. The Yippies must be sacrificed for science, though. Yeah, I think... Okay, so we've got like... Oh, because it's really low. Yeah, it's very low. Indeed. Let's see. Let's go back and do a little bit of investigating. So if this is greater than 5, do the thing. Otherwise, don't do the thing. Oh, I think I know why this is happening. I think I know. I think I know what's going on. Yeah, perhaps. I think so. Wait, actually... Oh, let me see. Let me see. Because actually, I don't want this to run, like, every time. Right? Like, I don't want it to accidentally, like, add a bunch of animations at once. Maybe. Maybe. Let's think. Let us do some thinking emoticon. Let's first comment out this. And then see if he, like, starts moving as soon as we hit him. Yeah. At least just to see that. So if we get, like, a little ranged dude, a little ranged Yippee, and we give him a little bonk. I know, he's still kind of, like, frozen in place. Yeah. Let's see. Let's check this X velocity stuff. We'll do a little bit of checking of the things. Yeah. Yeah. Because I think Mr. Stick Boy, he's going, like, the 13 here. And the other dude's going, like... Oh, yeah, no, now he's moving. Oh, interesting. There's, like, a bit of a delay. Let's see. So I kind of knock him a little bit. And then... Does he start moving? I think maybe once he's, like, super slow, then he starts moving. It's kind of, like, the opposite of what we want. Which means we can just, like, switch a sign, which isn't too bad. But I think once he gets, like, super slow, he might start moving. Maybe. Oh, yeah, so he starts moving now. Okay. Interesting. So, what is that, then? He has to go to, like, a velocity of 3 to start moving. Yeah, so let's see, then. Okay, so I kind of feel like I just need to, like, swap this. Although I don't know if that makes a whole lot of sense to me. If this is, like... if his X speed is below 5, then start moving. I don't know, that looks kind of nefarious, I might say. Yeah, that is kind of like the opposite logic that I want. Let's think then. What else could be going on? I'm gonna swap it and just see what happens. Yeah. I will swap and see. We'll do a little bit of swapping and seeing. Let's see, so if I knock you back... Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, so I guess I just needed to swap that sign. Okay, that's pretty good. Yeah, I guess this doesn't really make a lot of sense to me, but it works. And that is the good part. It's like, why does my code work? But it works. So we trust the method. We trust the methodology. And we don't question it. Yeah, why not? Yeah. We got the code thing to work. And that is good. That is good. So let's see now. Now I think when I hit him, he does a little walkie. And then when he slows down... Oh no, I don't think he does because it, like, removed it immediately, I think. I think that's what's going on. It's like... Might be removing it now. Because I added this in. And it might conflict with it. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm feeling. Yeah, maybe I don't want this. But then how shall I make him stop moving? Because basically what this does is it makes him move forever. Yeah, as soon as I hit him, he, like, starts moving and he won't stop. He's, like, on the Yippee juice. Yeah, we gotta calm him down a bit. Yeah, let's see. Let's see, how can we soothe the nerves of the enemy Yippee? So once I hit him, and he starts doing the walkie thing, how can I get him to stop? Because he's on the Yippee juice right now. He's walking and he's walking. We gotta get him to slow down. Yeah, we got get Mr. Yippee to slow down. I want to be on the Yippee juice. I heard it's very tasty. I heard it's very, it makes you feel in good spirits. Feel very lively and wonderful, as many Yippies are. Yes, that is a staple part of the Yippee diet, the Yippee juice. Yeah, yeah. It looks like he just stopped. He stopped all on his own. I think the Yippee juice ran out of his system. Yeah, let's see. I wonder why he stopped. That's interesting. Yeah. Yeah, also sacrifices must be made. Yeah, let's see. So let's knock this little Yippee back. And try and get him to do the walking thing again. Okay, so that's good. He's doing the little walkies. That's all right. And then, yeah. Although I don't like how they kind of like they can turn, but they're like still walking backwards. Ew, that's kind of weird. Yeah, I don't like him. Or he can like turn, but he's like moving the other direction. He's like walking backwards. I don't want that scenario where they like potentially are walking backwards. Yeah. Yeah. How shall I address such things? Yeah. I mean, one thing I could do is I could make it so that like when I hit the ranged ones, like they don't move at all. But I don't know, that feels a little unnatural. Because if I can like knock these dudes back, I feel like I should be able to knock the ranged ones back too. Even if they like spawn in when they're not moving. Yeah. That's kind of what I'm thinking. So let's see. Let's see how we can kind of make this look a little nicer. Yeah. At least to where like if I knock him back and he turns towards us, like he starts walking towards us maybe. Maybe such things. Yeah, I have an idea. I have a weird idea. And I'm gonna see if this will work. But yeah, it's worth a try. Weird ideas are always worth a shot, I think. But I'm gonna do like if the velocity is like negative and he's facing towards us, then have him like swap the sign on the velocity. Something weird like that. Yeah, I don't know if that'll work though, actually. I don't even know if I can modify this value. Yeah, I think this might be like read only actually. Yeah, let's see. Let's take a little gander because I think let's see. Can I set this? Maybe not. I think what I can do though is I can set the whole velocity. I can do this. I can set like this. I can say like this is equal to .dx times -1. Oh, I can do such things. Yeah, I can do that. Yeah, that could be interesting. So I can like basically, oh yeah, I guess I'll need to like force unwrap this stuff. Yeah, but this will basically like, if he's moving one way, it'll like cause him to move the other way. Yeah, that could work. That could work. Although we only want to do that if he's like facing the wrong direction. So we gotta check which way he's facing. I forget. I might have like a variable for that. Like facing some way. Perhaps on the Yippee is facing right. I might have this value on the things. Let's see. Let us see. Yeah, enemy is facing right. So like if they're facing towards us, but they're moving backwards, then we want them to move forwards, and vice versa. Yeah, kind of such things we want. So let us try and implement such things. Yeah, where were we? We were somewhere up here in our kind of tangle of the code. Yeah, like up here. Let's try this thing. So if he's ranged and he's like kind of facing towards us, then yeah, actually I think I had this code also for the melee dudes. Something like that. Yeah. I did have something like this actually. Like if it's facing right, then like swap it. Yeah, I did have something like this. Well, let's try with this. Just for the range dudes. Yeah, so if it's like enemy is facing right, and he's like moving backwards or something. Yeah, how to become Yippee. Also, welcome ABM. Yeah, how to become Yippee. You must consume the Yippee juice and commune with the Yippee gods. Yes, that is how to be Yippee. You must become one with the Yippee cult and consume the Yippee juice. and then only can you see what wonders the Yippee see. Yeah, and that is when you take the Yippee juice. Yeah, it's a little bit cult-like, but yeah, such is the way of the Yippee. Indeed. Yeah. Let's see what we got going on here. Let us see. Yeah. But we like Yippies. They're very nice and kind in their own right. Yeah, such are the wonderful creatures. We like Yippies around here. Yeah. Let's see, I think, yeah, we've got some stuff going on. The little Yippee dude, he's facing towards us, and he's doing the moonwalk. So basically, we wanna make it so the little Yippies don't do the moonwalk. Yeah, that is what we're trying to avoid here. No Michael Jackson moonwalking Yippies. Yeah, let's have them do the walking towards us thing. Yeah, so if they're facing right and they're moving left, that's what a moonwalk is. Yeah. So let's check if they're doing that. Yeah. So this would be if they're moving left. Basically, if their x velocity is less than 0 and they're facing right, then we want to swap the velocity. Now, let's see. I don't know if that'll work, but we can try out and test it. Let's test the things. Oh, wait, we got a bug. Yes, let's force unwrap. Why not? I think we should be able to do that because we check here. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. This code is looking a little bit like a bowl of pasta. It's a little spaghetti-like in nature, but let's see if the spaghetti kind of pays off. Yeah. Why are you modifying enemy movement? Yeah, because like sometimes when we hit these like range dudes, they start moving, right? But like if we get behind them, then like they were like moving backwards. Yeah, I think actually we fixed it there. Yeah, so like now they won't do like a Michael Jackson. Oh no, wait, now he's like moving towards us. Oh, wait, no, we have another bug. Yeah, but we're modifying it because like yeah, there's a weird bug where we like hit the range dudes, and like they start moving like backwards when they get hit. Like they get a little knockback, but then when they turn their heads towards us, they were still like moving backwards. So it looked kind of like a moonwalk. They're doing a little moonwalk. Yeah, kind of like a little funky. So we're trying to see if we can get them to kind of move towards us. Yeah. Well, let's use this little green one as a guinea pig. We'll kind of defeat his friend here. Yeah, it's kind of a little unfair because I gave myself invulnerability, but we'll defeat his little friend here. We'll kind of give him a little rock in the face action there. Oh yeah, let's see. So we hit this dude, and oh now he's going towards us. Ooh, hold on a minute. Wait just a minute. I don't know then it might not be the best way to go about it, because I think it's a very nuanced case. It's a very niche. It's only for like the range dudes, because they don't move when they spawn, but they only move when you hit them because they get a little knockback. Yeah, like see, he like spawns in and he's like he's like a little turret. He's like shooting at us. But he moves when we hit him because he gets a little knockback. But then, like, how do we handle the movement after that? Because at least the melee dudes, they're always, like, walking towards us. That's kind of how we deal with that. But these dudes, they don't really have like a walking pattern. Yeah. Yeah, see, he's doing like a little Michael Jackson right now. He's doing a little moonwalk. Yeah, let's see. I think what so I only have this working for like the facing right. So let's do the facing left. Yeah. Let's see. So we'll just like change some of the values. Yeah, or actually we can add this condition to this. Yeah, so we can say this. We can add like an or. Yeah, we can do like or this, and do like if it's greater and it's facing left. Yeah, such things. So we kind of avoid a little bit of the moonwalk in action. Yeah, although I think we'll need a little parentheses around this. Maybe. Well, let's check. Let's see. Let's see what's going on. Yeah. Let's do a little bit of investigating. So, yes, we have a perfect guinea pig Yippee here. So if I hit him from the right side, need moonwalk and Yippee. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's kind of cool, but it feels a little funky. It feels, I don't know. Yeah, it's a little groovy, but as far as like gameplay goes, it does feel a little funky to me. Also, yeah, I just hit this dude and he just like started walking towards us. Yeah, we kind of want him to knock back. Yeah, I don't know actually. Let me think. I kind of... Yeah, maybe... You know what, AVM? I think you might be right. Like, I think... Because if I think about it, I'm thinking about it a little more. Like, if I hit him, he should, like, get knocked back, but he does a little steppy animation. So maybe we do want moonwalking ranged Yippee. Actually, yeah, because, like with the code that I have right now, he's gonna, like, move towards us when I hit him, which is, like, pretty awkward. Yeah, we don't really want that. Yeah. Let's see then. I also don't want them to like chase us. That's another thing. Yeah, because basically they're like turrets, right? They're like the ranged Yippies. They're like little, you know, they're like pea shooters in Plants vs Zombies. They're like, you know, they sit in one place and they do the thing. They do the little let me shoot the thing and stay in one place kind of deal. So yeah, maybe we can like, we should give them a little like moonwalk or so if we hit them back. Yeah, because I don't know if we should allow them to like move on their own. That's kind of the deal. Yeah, so maybe you might be right, AVM. I think we probably do want a little bit of moonwalking action. Maybe it doesn't look so out of place if they're supposed to behave like a turret. Yeah, because I was thinking like, oh, maybe it kind of looks a little weird, but I think, yeah, I've got a new perspective now. Yeah, so I think, yeah, we could do something like that. We could make them do a little backwards movement action. Yeah, but only if we hit them. Yeah. So let's see. Let us see. Although, yeah, let's see. So this, yeah, at least we want them to stop the animation though at some point. But yeah, as long as we hit them, like, and they move away from us. Yeah, that's not like terrible. I think that's okay. Yeah. So let's see. So I like hit them and they start like moving away from us. Eventually they should like stop their walk-in animation though, once they get like slow enough. Although actually I think this dude's like, he's like on ice or something. He's not even like slowing down. Oh man, we gotta put like some like friction between his little steppies and the ground. Yeah, because he's doing a little, I don't know, he's on like an ice cube. That's kind of what I'm feeling. Yeah, we gotta get him to like, once we knock him back, he has to like slow down at some point. Otherwise he's just gonna go into oblivion off the screen. Yeah, that's no good. Yeah, let's see what we can do. Yeah, because I think I might have took away their friction at some point. That might be why that's happening. But I think I had good reason for it at the time. Yeah, maybe add tiny skate boots. Oh man, that's an idea actually for like a Christmas update. I could maybe give the little Yippies little nice outfits and make them do the little slidey dance. And yeah, we could give them little scarves and little Rudolph noses. Yeah, that's an interesting idea. Yeah, I'm gonna write that down because I remember I had another suggestion yesterday for Halloween themed things, but that kind of gives me some ideas for like Christmas themed like skins or so. Yeah, because maybe we can like skin the enemies too. Yeah. Also welcome Alcoholic. When we knock him back, he gotta slow down at some point. Says every bartender I've ever encountered. Yeah, dude. Yeah, that's we don't have enough drinks in our system. We need more. Yeah. More proof we live in a simulation. Oh my goodness. Yeah. We've gotta make sure the Yippies are nice and grounded and doing the nice movement things. Yeah. Well, let's see. I think let's work on like giving them like friction or so. Yeah, so that at least like slow down. Because I think that's what made it look weird, like the moonwalk stuff. Because they're like continuously walking backwards. But if they were to like slow down, then it wouldn't look so weird. Yeah, so let's try and get these dudes to like do a little slow down thing. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm feeling. Yeah. Also, thank you for the follow, Alcoholic. Yeah, we like to do the mobile apps dev stuff. And we kind of, a lot of our apps are inspired by the memes. Yeah, and right now we're doing the Yippee thing. The little creature app. Yeah. Although this one's like much more involved, this app. Yeah, we've got like, normally like I've built some other apps on stream before, but they're like they were like 2-day apps. Like I built them in like 2 days, and they weren't really meant for like the app store. But this one in specific is we're putting a lot more time into it so we can get it on the interwebs, on the app store for everybody. And we're pretty close to getting it going. Yeah. So we've got the good things going. Yeah. Actually, let me show kind of what we've got so far, because we actually pretty much like finished all the features of our app. We're just kind of pending some like bug fixes. Yeah, so here we've got Mr. iPhone 14 Pro, and we'll bring up the old Yippies on the thing. Yeah, because we've got a couple different things here. Yeah, we've got shop, and we've got leaderboard, and we've got stats, and we've got settings. We've got a whole bunch of different things. Yeah, so we've got some cool things going on. Like I like the shop too. You can buy different like little Yippee skins and such. Oh wait, actually, okay. Wait, I'm so glad I tested that. Wait, we actually in the process of the demo, we've got a crash. Let's see. But that is the name of the game. We fixed the bugs here. Yeah, we've got little shop things and such to buy little skins and things and weapon upgrades as you pick up the rubies in the game. Yeah. Well, let's see what's going on. I think I must not have an image for one of the animations, actually. That might be one of the things that's going on. Yeah, let's see. Let me check my assets, actually. Because maybe I'm missing an animation somewhere. Ooh, that would be most unfortunate. Yeah, let's see. We've got all these little different color Yippies and their little steppy animations. Yeah, I guess we'll see what happened there. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna try and recreate that, because that was kind of unexpected. That's not happened before. So we'll try and see when the unexpected things happen and make sure they don't happen. Yeah, so I think I was like going through these colors, and we ran into something. Oh, it's the purple one. Oh, wait, that's actually expected. Yeah, because I forgot to put, like, for the purple Yippee, I forgot to give him a little steppy animation. Yeah, so I think this is a remnant of that. Yeah, let's see. I think I added it back. Yeah, so we've got little purple Yippee steppies now. Yeah, purple's hard to say. purple Yippies. But I think, yeah, let me fix the thing. This should be a pretty simple fix. Actually, I think I know what's causing it. I think if I'm correct in my assumption, I just need to delete the app and reinstall it, because it might be some old data that's left over from the old app, because this is an older simulator. Yeah, let's see. So now, yeah, okay, yeah, I just had to delete the app and reinstall it. Yeah, that's some remnants of some old data. Yeah. Oh, we got the thing working now. Mr. Purple can walk now. He's got little steppies now. But yeah, we've got some good stuff going. We've got the little skins. There's also special skins. Right now we just have the cosmic one. But yeah, this is kind of where I was thinking on doing like the little holiday themes. Yeah. Eggman stream when? Oh man. Dude, that is an old app. Dude, AVM, you're going way back. Dude, that is the first meme app that I made. Like, I don't know, when was that? Like, that was before I started streaming. That was before, like, I was me. Yeah, I was like, I don't know, like 3 years ago or something. I made a little Eggman meme app from Mr. Chinese Eggman meme. Yeah, and we did the things, but oh my gosh, that brings back memories, man. That's kind of what started it all. I don't know, maybe I should show that one, because that is memory lane. That is you've brought back the memories, and I have the program on my computer, so I can actually show it. Yeah. that is memory lane. Yeah, I'll show you that one, because that is an old one. That is ancient. Yeah, Mr. Eggman meme app. Yeah, because that is what we've been doing. We make the really small meme apps, but yeah, right now we're working on a bigger one. But yeah, we made such things like that in the past. But yeah, let me show that one, because that's an interesting one. Yeah, here's the code base of that one. Yeah, see how short it is? Like, I spent like a day or two on this. It's very this is not meant for the App Store. It's very meant for the memes purely. But yeah, let's give a little sample of that one, because that is kind of what started this all. Yeah, that is memory lane. Yeah, check this out. Check it out. Oh, that my bad. That's the wrong button. This one. Oh, it's upside down Eggman. Yeah, we've got to bring the egg right back up. Yeah, this is what started it all. Oh, my bad. I'm doing the weird things. Okay. Wait. Okay. Now we've got the thing in the right place. Yeah, this is the old app. This is the first ever meme app that I made. This is like what kind of started me on my journey to make all the silly apps. Yeah, you can even see like it's cropped, and the reason it's cropped is because when I made this like 3 years ago, it was for iPhone 7. So this is like the iPhone 14 simulator. It's even like, yeah, it's like, this is ancient. So that's why it's cropped. But if I click the summon button, you'll see something interesting happens. It'll play a little sound, and there'll be some little Eggman things occur. Yeah. As you can see, we've got Mr. Eggman here. Yes. And so, yeah, the kind of reasoning for this one is like the kind of, I'll give a little some insight. Yeah, that's right, Dropshot Pat. We kind of did like the conversion of the Chinese into the English words or phrases or whatever, the Roman alphabet. But yeah, it's like the reason that I started making these apps was so that I could like learn more about making apps. So like the thing with this first app that I did was learn about notifications. Like you saw the little notifications that popped up, right? Like these ones. It's like I hadn't really done this that much before. So that was like the reason that I made this app, so I could learn about like how to send notifications to yourself. But yeah, I thought like, if I'm gonna be making these silly little projects to learn things, why not make them based off of memes? Because I also like memes. We like to do the big memeing around here. Yeah, so that is a bit of Cipher lore. Why we do the silly things. Yeah, so we can learn but also have fun while we do it. Yeah, this is gold. I'm crying. I appreciate it, ABM. Yeah, we like to do the silly things around here. I don't know, maybe I can show some of the other ones too. Yeah, because we did some really, I don't know, some dumb things. Yeah, we've done some quite silly things. Yeah, maybe I can show you some of the other ones, because I literally have all the apps on my computer, even from like 3 years ago. Like I have these ancient memes here. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, you guys know the baby? Like how he has like a line in one of his songs where he says like, "Let's go." Yeah. And he also has like a line where he says like, "Turn myself into a convertible." So like when he says that, it doesn't make any sense, right? Like turn myself into a convertible. It's like turn myself into a car. Like what does that mean? So I turned it into a meme. I turned it into a meme app. So like now we've got like the baby, and he's a car. Yeah, check this out. Yeah, let me show Mr. The Baby app, Mr. The Baby convertible app. Yeah, here we go, Mr. The Baby, let's go. Yeah, we'll bring up the old ancient The Baby meme app. I don't even know if this will look nice on the iPhone 14. I think this is also one of those apps that I made for like an older phone, and I just like never bothered to make it look nice on the other phones. Yeah, let's bring up this one too. Yeah, actually you can even see the app icon there. Like it's this one. Maybe I can just open this. Hey, you see this? The Baby convertible, traffic mania. Yeah, because it's like turn myself into a convertible, right? Yeah, now he's a car. He's a convertible car. Yeah, turn myself into a convertible. Yeah. Misquoted. I think he says turn my coupe into a convertible. Oh, really? Oh, dang, okay. Wait, okay, now this app doesn't make a lot of sense. Wait a minute, okay. Okay, yeah, okay, just pretend that it makes sense, and it's... No, it makes ghetto sense. It makes the big meme sense. Yeah, but this is what we did. We turned Mr. The Baby here into a car, and now he's driving down. He's zooming down. It's like one of those games where you dodge the cars, right? It's like one of those things. Yeah. The Broger, bruh. But yeah, I did not spend a lot of time on these apps. Like it's literally just to like learn things. Yeah, like I think one of the things I learned in this one was like having the little background in the back scroll, because you saw like the road was kind of like infinitely scrolling from like left to right. Yeah, that was I think one of the things I learned. But you'll see like I didn't even implement these buttons here. Like if you click them, they do nothing. It was literally just for the memes. Like we didn't even like spend a lot of time on this. Yeah, we make the things purely for the big meme. Yeah. In fact, I would do that for like the apps on the App Store, but like Apple makes it so that you have to make it work before you can publish it, which I guess makes sense. But yeah, we would probably take a lot more shortcuts if that were not the case, like such as this. But yeah, we make the little Yippee app look much nicer though. Yeah, well that is a bit of lore. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I can show you some other ones. Yeah, what's one that I really like? Let's see. Because I made quite a bit. I don't even know how many silly apps I made. I'm looking at the folder that I've got here. I literally have, what's this? It's like 16 apps. Oh my gosh. Yeah, let's see which one's a good one. Oh, I made a gotcha. Like I made fun of gotchas by making it my own gotcha. Albeit it's much more scuffed. Yeah, let me show you that one. Publish all of them? Yeah, that's the thing. I can't really publish them because like Apple would like reject them instantly. Like they would probably like copyright reasons. And like actually one of the things Apple does is they reject apps if they're not like if they don't have enough features in them. They're like, oh, this app is too simple. We're rejecting it. Yeah, they're very like strict like that. It's not like that in the Play Store for Android. Like you can basically like publish whatever on the Play Store. Like even like I used to download like Minecraft hacks on when I used to have my Android tablet. Yeah, because those were just like in the Play Store, like just outright. But yeah, Apple's very like they're kind of a stickler. They're much more of a stickler than Google when it comes to like apps and such. But yeah, actually, so I was thinking on like just putting these on my GitHub, at least so you can like download them if you want. Yeah, actually, I haven't done that yet because I've been very lazy. I've been super lazy about it. I need to put this code on my GitHub. Yeah, yeah. And Google Play takes about a week to approve an app. Yeah, it's kind of similar for Apple. Yeah, it's just around like a week. But yeah, I feel like they're much more like strict with the rules they have. Like, yeah, like they've got like one of the rules, one of the interesting rules that I actually learned recently. It has to do with like sign in. You know, some apps have like sign in with Google or like sign in with Facebook. Like apparently if you have one of those buttons in your app, you also like have to do sign in with Apple. Like it's like, oh my gosh, like they're forcing you to do the Apple thing. Yeah, that's like one of the interesting things. Yeah, that's what they do. That's how they get you. Yeah. I also have the wrong simulator up. Let me bring up the good one. Yeah, that's how they like force you to use their tech. Yeah. But yeah, they've got some weird rules in Apple, I'll admit, such as that. Yeah, and they're kind of much more of a stickler, I would say. Yeah. But yeah. Check out this gotcha. Check out this. This is the gotcha that I made to make fun of gotcha games. Yeah. So, oh yeah, it also has like some notification stuff. So we'll allow this. But yeah. Oh yeah, you see how the buttons are kind of like off-centered? Yeah, it's just because like I think I made this back when I had like my... Yeah, I think this is also one of those iPhone 7 apps that I'm running right now on the 14 Plus. But yeah, this is the app I made to make fun of gacha games. Let's check it out. So the gameplay, you see, it's just pushing a button, and you get points. Because right when like every gacha that I've played, like the actual game itself has been pretty boring. Like if you think about it, like I don't know if I want to name names of games and call them out like that. But like these gacha games are pretty like at least the mobile gachas, they're very like linear gameplay. Like it's like the kind of draw of it is to collect the characters, right? And they don't really focus a lot on the gameplay. So that's why I made this meme gacha as like the gameplay is just like pushing the button. Yeah. So that is the gameplay of my gacha. And then the shop, of course, this is the main feature of a gacha, to spend all your monies and drain your wallet. So here's what we've got in the shop. Oh wait, I don't know, that's pretty small. I think it's because I designed this app for like a smaller phone. But let me kind of zoom in to kind of show what things we've got going on in here. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but like, oh, it's covering me a little bit. But yeah, you'll see like, we've got at the bottom here, look, you can spend your soul to get 1,000 coins, or like a blood sacrifice for 100 coins, right? Because it's like if you play a gacha, you're spending all of your monies on the game. So it's like, oh, I'm sacrificing everything I have to buy some in-game gacha currency. Yeah, that's also how I see gachas. It's like the main draw is to spend all your monies to buy it, to get the little characters and things. Yeah, it's like there's no gameplay. It's expensive. Like they even have like terms for people who spend like thousands and thousands of dollars on gachas. They call them whales because you just like you like swipe and spend a bunch of your monies. So that's kind of how I see it. And then of course, what's a gacha without like some kind of spin mechanic to get characters, right? And look at this. I wanna upgrade my gameplay by getting a different color button. So like check the rates on this. We've got like what is that, like all the other color buttons have very tiny rates, but the blue one is like guaranteed. So that's like another thing in gachas, like the rolling rates are crazy. So like if you want to get a good character, like you've got to spin like 1 billion times and spend all your monies to get the good character. So we just have like very tiny rates for the other things. Yeah, it's basically it's big meme. This is big meme. But yeah, we do the silly things like that. Yeah, that was my meme gacha. Yeah, just for learning the different things. Yeah. Also, I think I have it to where if you like go out of the gacha, oh yeah, sometimes it'll notify you like don't go, please spend more of your money. Let's see if we can get that one to show up. I had like little notifications for that. Oh yeah, I don't think I have it now, but there was like a little notification that if you like exited the game, it would tell you to like reopen it to like come back. Yeah, because these gacha games, they kind of suck your soul away, man. And honestly, dude, I'm kind of guilty. I'm a little guilty. I play a bunch of gachas. Yeah, but we like to do the little meme thing around here. Yeah. Yeah, that is a bit of lore. Yes. Well, yeah, I probably need to publish this stuff on my GitHub. Yeah, I've been very lazy about it. I have a couple of my apps on my GitHub. Like the only ones that I built on stream. But like these ones that I built before I did the streaming thing, I haven't put on my GitHub yet. But I can definitely do that. That shouldn't take too long. I've been very lazy. Yeah, but we have quite a bit of apps that we can share. But yeah, that's the thing, because like we can't publish them to the App Store like those ones. But if I at least put them on my GitHub, you can download them. And then if you have like a Mac, you can open them in Xcode and run them on your phone. Yeah. So at least there's that way to get the apps. Yeah, there's this weird bug with the background I've just noticed. Yeah, I think let's swap our simulator. It might be that. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's swap it to a different one even. Yeah, we've got some weird stuff with our background. But yeah, if we can't get it to publish on the App Store for those meme apps, we can at least make the code open source so you can download it at least. I think that would be okay. Yeah. Albeit you'll still need like a Mac just because you gotta get to Xcode to open the files. I guess you could get like a VM also, but I mean technically you could still just download the files, but you don't have to run it too. But yeah. Maybe I'll spend some time and upload the codes. Yeah, that would be good. Also, RIP my preview. Yeah, let me restart this Xcode so I can get it back. Yeah, or make a library app that has these smaller memes / games. Yeah, that was actually another thing I was thinking of, ABM, because you might be right. Like I could technically make an app, and like within the app have like a bunch of these small apps, and call that like one app, and maybe Apple will be like, oh yeah, that has enough features to be approved. Yeah. Did any of y'all pay attention to the XZ vector? Oh no, what's that dropshot pad? I haven't heard of that. There's a backdoor. Uh-oh. Exploits. We don't like the exploit things. Yeah, I haven't heard of that one. There's like some different security exploits. That's what that sounds like. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, also RIP my preview. I think it's let's see if we can get it to run. Yeah, we still got this weird background thing. It's always a backdoor, but this was a supply chain attack. Oh, interesting. I did not hear about that. Was that with like Apple or something? Interesting. It's been mitigated. Oh, well, thank goodness. Yeah, we don't like the backdoor things. Yeah, those are scary. Those are very scary. Yeah, because then you could get all your data's leaked. Yeah. Oh, it was in Linux? Oh, interesting. Oh, so that must have been affecting like servers and stuff. Yeah, that would have been like even bigger of a problem then. Oh dang. Oh dang. Yeah. It almost did? Oh my gosh. Yeah, that would be very like unpogchamp. That would be like, yeah. That would not be good. That would be no bueno. Yeah. Yeah, because pretty much like every server runs on like Linux nowadays. Yeah. It's now known. That's good. That's good. Yeah, let's see what's going on here. We've got some weird stuff going on with our preview. Yeah, that is the way of the Xcode. Yeah, they do some weird preview things. Yeah, this is the love-hate relationship with the Xcode. Yeah, let's see. Let us see. CVE. Yeah, basically. Yeah, we just need to figure out a way to, yeah, run some commands to get this to work. Yeah. I think I know what's causing it. It's like, so one thing about Xcode, they have this folder called what's it called? It's like some cache data. Like Xcode stores like instances of whenever you run the preview. And it's derived data. It's called derived data. And you have to like delete the folder to get the things to run. But yeah, I'd rather just like do the clean thing to get it to run. Yeah. Let's see. Or maybe we can like run it on the other view, perhaps. Or we're rebuilding it and we'll see. Oof. Yeah, let's see. Yes, you're correct. It's like 75% run Linux, not Unix, and it was a backdoor written into a compression decompression bin called libelzma. I kid you not, this part of the XC utils. Oh my gosh. Bruh, that sounds like a mega oof. Bro, that reminds me, I was watching like a video the other day of like hacksaws, the mega hackers, and how they were talking about like these things called like so it's like a zero width hack or something, where you can basically just like get access to anything and no one finds out. 0 day. Oh yeah, it's that one. 0 day. 0 day, right? Yeah. Those are the kind of the scary ones. Yeah, where you can just like get all the marbles and walk away. Yeah, I heard people pay like a bunch of money for that. Yeah, that is wild. In fact, I even heard like it's like governments mostly that pay for those. Yeah, it's I guess all the spies and things, they like to hack into the systems and spy on what's going on. Yes, on Zerodium? Oh, what is that? What is that? I'm not very familiar with the hacker culture and the things. I'm looking this up. It's an InfoSec company. Oh, they have 0 days. Oh, so it's where you sell them. I see. Where you sell the hackers the 0 days, huh? Interesting. That seems super sus. That seems quite sus. Yeah, it's like, oh, I have this website and you can just buy the hacks. Bro. That is like, I wonder. That sounds like legal dark web. That's what that sounds like. They can hack all of my accounts. I am pro KF and I sleep all day. Hey, bro, that is relatable, dude. Yeah, we like to do the sleeping thing too. Yeah. Yeah, trust me, I remember there were some summers, like I kid you not, like it was actually, no, it was like, so I had some semesters in college where I had like 2 classes and I would just like sleep the whole day. It was pretty bad. I'm pretty sure it's not on the clear web. Oh yeah, I bet. Yeah, they've got the weird holes in the interwebs where you can find the secret things. I'm sure. Yeah, that is. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of stay clear of that because I don't know. Maybe I need to do more OPSEC stuff, but yeah, I don't know if I'm ready to access such information because I feel like I would just leak everything. Yeah. That is the fear. That is the fear for sure. Yeah. Oh, bruh. Oh, wait, I saw this bug before. Oh, yeah, let's see if we can fix this. I remember this happened last time, and I didn't know what to do. Well, like, there's a bug sometimes when you open the app. It, like... What is even going on, man? There's some weird, wacky things happening. So I'm doing a HTV box right now. Oh, heck. Wait, what is that? HTV? Well, it sounds like you're doing like a virtual machine. Oh, it's hack the box. Oh, interesting. Oh, so like if you have like the VM, then you don't get like your real computer doesn't get bricked. Oh, yeah, that's a good way to go about it. That is definitely a good way to go about not getting the things to happen. Yeah. Also, yeah, there's some weird bugs happening right now. Like, I guarantee you if I ran this on my phone, like the background would be there and it wouldn't be doing the weird things. But I remember this happened sometime before. But yeah. Well, you VPN into a VM on a server. Oh, that is some extra layers of security. So then you like nobody knows who you are and you're in a VM. I can see how that would be very good for not tracing you. Yeah. That is pretty good. So it's a whole web app? Oh. Wait, it's a web app. Oh, so you don't even have to like set stuff up or whatever. That's nice. That's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, I have not heard of this. Yeah, this sounds interesting. They just let you use VMs for free like that? That's quite nice. That is good. Yeah, I'm very much a noob when it comes to like cybersecurity. I'll admit, I'm actually like a mega noob. Yeah, there's some real hackers out there. But I am definitely not one of them. Where we do like the mobile game stuff around here. But when it comes to like traversing a network and finding the IPs and things, we don't know how to do that. Yeah. Like each box is a fictionalized website / application that is compartmentalized. Oh, so is it like the goal is you have to like hack that particular like box, like that website or whatever, or application, or that sounds interesting. Huh. So it's like they've got like the different they like simulate different exploits, and you gotta like find out how to get the thing. So each one has to be its own. Yeah, that's kind of what I figured. That's pretty cool. Yeah, because I know the companies pay the big bucks for being able to hack in their system and find the flaws. Yeah, so that is pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, is it reliable? True. Yeah. Because yeah, maybe like some of the hacks aren't up to date. There's always a new exploit. Yeah. Yeah, do they like update them with like when they find like new exploits? That would be interesting. Yeah. Yeah, also this is like totally bricked. Dude, I don't even know what's going on. This... Yeah, because this only happens in the simulator, this bug. Like, it's not actually on the real phone. No, it's constantly updated with a new box every week. Every week! Oh my gosh. Wait, that's wild. That is wild. I have not heard of that. That's pretty good. Yeah, because like there's constantly new exploits, new flaws coming out, and yeah, it definitely makes sense to update those periodically. Yeah. So I'm on an older box that came out like 5 weeks ago. It's called Intuition. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Huh. Interesting. So I guess like that, and that would be for like one particular like vulnerability. Interesting. I see. Let's test. Let us test the things. But yeah, I have not heard of that. That's like a whole like community out there that I have not even like seen. The face of the website is a LZMA file compressor. Oh, interesting. Wait, what is that? LZ. Oh my gosh, I see the word Markov. Oh my gosh, that's I remember such things in one such class. Yeah. That is going down the back roads of the memory lane. Such things. Yeah. Yeah, that is a whole world that I have not explored. But it definitely benefits to exploring it, lest I accidentally walk into a trap and reveal my beans, spill the beans, and dox myself. This was like 4 weeks after the exeutils libelsma backdoor was given its own CVE. Oh, now I know. Okay, I remember what you're saying about CVE. Okay, I thought... Okay, yeah, I remember now. Yeah, there's like this website that publishes the vulnerabilities. Yeah, I remember I had to deal with those. Yeah, like if something in like a framework is vulnerable, then it goes on this CVE website. I remember now. I remember. Yeah. Yeah, like for example, yeah, let me bring up the thing, because I remember seeing this website like in my time. Yeah, I think I know what you're talking about. This website. It's like it has all the exploits that come out. It's like you find all the exploits and the things, and you can see what happens. Yeah, I think this one. Oh yeah, this is Log4j. Oh my gosh, wait, the one I opened just happened to be like... Yeah, they linked it. I remember this. This was like I think in like... Oh, is this like the Java framework, right, for logging? And there was a huge exploit with the Log4j. I remember this was even affecting like Minecraft, because Minecraft is built on Java. I think people were able to like use this exploit to like get people's accounts and such. Yeah, I remember this. This is wild. Yeah, I remember this CVE website. Yeah, this is familiar now, where they put all the things that happen, all the exploits that come out in the code and the code frameworks. Yeah. And don't they have like remediations? I guess maybe not in this one, but they usually have like fixes for this. That's interesting. So they just like it'll be like 4 weeks when one of these come out, and they already have a box for it. Dang, that's they're on top of it. That's pretty wild. That is wild. That's pretty cool though. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I've never really gotten into cybersecurity, but that is pretty neat. That's pretty neat. Yeah, maybe I should, because it might show up in like some mobile stuff too. Yeah. So given that each box follows a trend of focusing on new updates to the CVE list, and I would not have heard about the LZMA compression if not for the CVE and the XDE. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's like that's interesting though. At least like the website publishing the things, like the boxes, also gives like people awareness about the bug. That's another benefit of that. That sounds pretty cool though. That sounds pretty interesting. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, let's see though. Let us see. There's some weird things going on with this. Bruh moment. I don't know. I forgot how to fix this bug. I think this is one of those bugs where I was like, what is going on here? Yeah, I think this is just a simulator thing. But yeah. But yeah, let me try and think of, I don't know. It might be worth like learning cybersecurity stuff for like mobile, because there are some things that can pop up. Like I remember I was learning about like different ways to get location on mobile. There's different ways you can get someone's location on a phone. Like you can use like the network, the Wi-Fi they're on. You can use the cell towers, and there's like you can use like the satellites and the things. But yeah, such things might crop up. Yeah, especially if you have like a back end and you've got like logins and things, which is common in mobile stuff. You gotta think about your OPSEC and your cybersecurity. Yeah. I guess the stuff I've built has been pretty simple, so it hasn't really gotten to that point yet. I mean, I do have like a Game Center login, but I don't think that's really like this will get exploited. Well, I say that, but I don't know. People are pretty creative. Yeah, let me hack into the leaderboards and set myself to have a billion points. Yeah. That would be unfortunate. Yeah. That's pretty interesting though. I think I had a couple friends on the interwebs who really liked cyber stuff. But yeah, I'm still googling this. Yeah, dude, it's like there's a whole world out there, man. Dude, I've not even like explored that. But yeah, that is interesting. That is pretty neat. Yeah. Also, I just noticed a bug in the app. Like when I did the login with Game Center thing and I didn't get authenticated, the little spinny boy was showing up forever. Yeah, let's fix that one. That was a quick one. I think we can fix it pretty quick. But yeah, I did not even notice that. Yeah. Because we do have a little spinny for logging into the leaderboard. Yeah. Let's see. I think I have it on here. Actually. Yeah. Progress view. Yeah. Also, this doesn't open. Many such bugs. Let's see how we can get this to stop spinning once we get like a failed authenticate. That should be pretty straightforward, I think, actually. Yeah, maybe something like in here. Show Game Center alert. Like if I... At least this should stop the little spinny from happening. Let's try and recreate it. Let me try and recreate that again. But yeah. That is some interesting stuff. Yeah. I guess I just never like looked into it that much. Yeah, we went down the iOS rabbit hole and it sapped up all of our brain capacity. Yeah. So we've got all the mobile things in the old noggin. But it would be worth having some security stuff in there. Because in this day and age, yeah, everyone's got their stuff out there. It's just how you manage it, how can you prevent it. Yeah. Yeah, look at Mr. Yippee. He's got a little mouth made of a loading symbol. Yeah, we gotta make it not load if our auth is failed. Yeah, let's see. So I think it's when I click this and we didn't log in. I think that's the scenario we've got. Let's see if we can fix that one at least. Yeah, this one. Show alert. Maybe it's this. Also, I don't know if I have this show game center alert, if I'm even using this. I'm not even using this actually. Oh, interesting. I think in one of my other apps, I showed like a little pop-up if they didn't authenticate with the game center. But I don't think I did that here. Let's see now, let's see. Oh no, we still got Mr. Spinny Boy up. How to get Mr. Spinny to go away? Yeah, if I try and log in and it don't work. Let's see. Let us see. Oh yeah, that's true. It is kind of similar to Docker, isn't it? Because you've got like the, you know, your container with all the things you need to run everything. It's kind of like a VM kind of deal. I can see that. I can see that. Yeah. Let's see what we've got. I think oh no, we still got it. Uh-oh. Yeah, we gotta set this to false actually. I think that's what we gotta do. Yeah. Let's see now. Let us take a gander. Oh, cool. Yeah, I think that works. Yeah, we just don't have like a pop-up or anything to show that this failed. Actually, I think in my old project I did do a pop-up. Let me see if I can find that actually. Yeah, because I'm thinking on yoinking some of my old code and plopping it in. Yeah, that's kind of the vibes I'm getting. That is the airwaves that I'm feeling. Yeah, let's yoink some code for little pop-ups and plop them on in. Yeah. Let's see. Let us see. Yeah, because I've got this variable here that I yoinked from my old project, like show game center alert. Yeah, this one. So this has got to like show some kind of pop-up. Yeah, so if I like don't authenticate, then I show a little thing. Show pop-up. Oh yeah, I do have this. Yeah, I forgot to add some code then. Yeah, let's add it here. I think it's on here. There's like .alert. And yeah, I'm just looking at some old code that I have from an app that I have on the App Store, which will be unnamed, lest I leak me. But this is App Store code. Yeah. The scuffedness of it. Let's see. So we've got message. Oh yeah. You must be logged in to Game Center to see the leaderboard. Yeah. And then what else shall we have? We shall have a button to dismiss. Dismiss button. Yes. Dot default text. Okay. And then yes, we need something here. Should show spinner false. Yes, let's see if this does the thing. We've got extra stuff. We've got extra trailing closure. Let's take out this then. Maybe. Here. Oh, wait, this should go inside actually. This should go here. Yeah, let's see then. Let us see now if we've got the thing to work. Oh, this needs to be text. Okay. Let's make this a text. Like a... Yeah, it's like the UI for putting a string on the screen. Alright, now we should have a little error message when we fail to log in to Game Center. Yeah, so if I like do the thing... Cool. You must be logged into Game Center to see the leaderboard. Okay. Cool. Although maybe we want to make this like bold or something. It looks kind of small. And the button looks kind of big. Yeah. Let's make it like bold or something if we can. I don't know if we can actually though. I don't know. But... Yeah, let's... I think we can do like dot font weight. Yeah, let's try this. Let's try some of this action. Yeah. So... oh, okay, I guess the font weight doesn't show up on the little pop-ups. I guess this is fine. Yeah, so if you don't log into Game Center, then you can't see the leaderboard. Yeah, because we basically our leaderboard runs off of the Game Center stuff. Yeah, so you gotta log into that before you can see your leaderboard scores. Yeah. I think this is alright though. This looks fine. Yeah. I guess technically we had one feature left, which was that pop-up. But I think now that I think of it, that seems like everything. Yeah. But we've got the good stuff going. We've got some good things going. Yeah, let's see if we got the game to look nice now on the simulator. Let us see. Oh no, we're still in the Void World. We're still in Yippee Void World. Oh, that's no good. That is no good. We're in the black abyss of Yippee World. Yeah, this is like the backwards world. Yeah, this would be like the distortion world in Pokemon. This is the scary backwards black Yippee purgatory. Oh dear. Yeah, I don't actually know what causes this visual bug. I think it's like it's only on the preview and the simulator. Yeah, because on the actual phone when I run it, it doesn't do this. It's one of those bugs, one of those unfortunate ones. Let's see if we can like delete it and re-download it. Yeah, I think we might be better in such ways. Let us investigate. Oh yeah, and that's good. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, we've still got it, unfortunately. Uh-oh. Oh dear. At least we can still play the game. That's alright. Let's try and run it on a different simulator maybe. Yeah. We'll do a little bit of extra investigations. And we shall see. What occurs. Let's run it on iPhone 12. That's actually the phone that I have. I have an iPhone 12 for my personal phone. Yeah. Not the newer ones. I think what's it like now? It's like the 15, I think, right? Yeah, but we still got the old, well, somewhat dated iPhone 12. Yeah. But it serves us well. Yeah, the phone I had before that was an iPhone 7. And the only reason I upgraded was because I literally ran out of memory. I had 8 gigs on my old phone. And then I ran out of memories. and we upgraded. Yeah, like I'm the type of person who like only upgrades when it literally like breaks. Yeah, it's like I could no longer, like it was taking a long time to even load websites because I had no memory. Yeah, that is why we did the upgrade thing. Oh yeah, even on iPhone 12 we've got this kind of visual bug. That is interesting. Yeah, because I don't want it to like, it's kind of spazzing out a little bit. Yeah, the background is flashing a lot. It's kind of hard to look at. Yeah, this is no good. This is not good. Yeah, this is one of those bugs where we need to like, I have an idea. I have an idea to fix it. I wonder if it'll work, but I'm gonna like close out of my simulators and Xcode and relaunch both and see where that takes us. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Oh, their machines have its own IP address. That can be used to solve challenges locally, but sometimes require using a Docker. Oh, okay. But considering it's an entire the IP block. Oh, dang, okay. Yeah, that's much more network focused. Yeah, that is definitely not Docker vibes. Yeah, that is... Yeah. Yeah, I even see... They've got like... Oh yeah, they've got that many ports per machine for a server. Yeah, that is much more... Yeah, that smells like a VM with a bunch of network configurations. Yeah. That is quite more than running a Docker container on your own computer. Indeed. Yeah. Let's see though, I think... we'll give this another shot, and then... I don't know, we'll see what we can do from there. Let's take a little gander. I'll see if I can get this to run on my... Oh, it's the wrong simulator. We'll do iPhone 14 Plus, and we'll see. Let us take a gander and see. Here, Mr. Tiny Simulator. Let's see what we get. Let us see what we find. Okay, yeah, that fixed it. Nice. Sometimes you just need to like close out of everything and reopen it, and it'll fix. Yeah, see, that is one of the weird Xcode bugs and simulator bugs. That is the love-hate relationship of Xcode and the simulators. Yeah, my goodness. I was getting pretty worried. But we fixed it. We just gotta give it a little wipe, and we're good as new. Well, let's see. What were we fixing? I think we were doing something with like the moonwalks of the ranged enemies, something of that nature. Let us see if we can kind of get the little yippies to do the good walking thing. Let's see. Yeah, also we might need to run back in that simulator again. We're getting kind of a preview oof. Let's see. Yeah, so this is good on the simulator. So how is our current behavior with the ranged enemies? If I give them a little nudge, will they start walking? Oh yeah, I think we were trying to like make it so that they don't really slide on like the ice. Yeah, because they were doing some kind of like, whatchamacallit, like some sliding action. Yeah, even like these dudes here too. Yeah, I don't think I have any friction on the floor. Yeah, these dudes are just like bouncing off of stuff like I don't know, like bowling balls on a wooden floor. Yeah. Yeah, that is like... That is not the good thing. Yeah. Let us see what we can do then. Yeah, we gotta give these dudes some kind of friction, I think. Yeah. At least so that they don't do the little sliding thing. Yeah. Let's see if we can get these dudes to kind of slow down a bit. Yeah. Let's see what we can do. Let's see. So we can either put like friction on the floor or like on the enemies. I feel like I should do it on the enemies because I don't want like the floor to be hard to walk on for the player. Yeah, so let's give the little Yippee steppies some kind of grippy action. Yeah, let's give them some friction. Yeah. So we'll go to where we're spawning our enemies, and we'll, I think, yeah, wherever we're giving them physics, we need to give them some kind of friction. Yeah, so I guess it's not here. Yeah, let's take a look. Let us see. So, yeah, I think, where are we setting the physics body? Ah, here we are. Yeah, so we'll need to do some kind of friction stuff. Oh yeah, you see? I gave them like literally no friction. Yeah, that would do it. That would do it. I forgot why I did this. I feel like I had a good reason to. But yeah, literally like there's no like forces being applied on them. They're like just, it's like they're floating in outer space when I hit them. Yeah. We gotta, I don't know, let's see. We'll give them some like some friction there. I don't know what is 5? What does that do? Yeah, let's get the Yippies grounded. Let's see. Oh yeah, also I think I gotta run this in the simulator. It does some oof stuff in the preview. Yeah, let's bring back old reliable simulator. So, if I were perhaps to give a Yippee a little nudge, will it slow down? Oh yeah, that is a lot of friction actually. You see that? He's like barely moving. Yeah, it looks like 5 is too much. Yeah, he's like, yeah, he's not even moving. Let's slow him. Let's not give him so much friction then. Yeah. Let us make it so that he's much more free to move about. Yeah, let's do such things. Let's see. So, if I give a little nudge to one of these enemy Yippies here, like you, good sir, if I hit you back. Oh no, even still, it's like, I don't know if that's too much friction then. Yeah. Because I gotta also judge it by like how much force is being applied when I hit them. It's gotta be like a little balancing act. Yeah. Although it looks like 1 friction is like even too much. I don't know, that seems a bit... That doesn't seem right. Like 1 friction is like too much. Yeah, what is the units of this? Oh, okay. I'm reading the documentation here. It's saying it should be between 0 and 1. So when I was giving it 5, that was like the max value. Like beyond the max. Yeah, let's do like 0.1 then. Let's see. Yeah, because that was overkill. That was too much. Let's see what we got. So if I give them a little nudge. Okay, I mean they're moving a little more now, but like not too much. Like they're sliding back a little bit. Yeah, but it's not. It's still like too rough. So if I like knock them back, they're like, they barely move back. Yeah. Unless I could also apply more force when I knock them back. Maybe that could work better. Yeah. I could like hit them and they go flying. I could do that. That could be interesting. Let's see. Let's try that. Yeah, let's make it so that they like get pushed really far back when I hit them. That would be pretty wild. Yeah, let's see what we can do there. Yeah, I think I've got this in the damage enemy. I think. No, something to do with like some apply impulse somewhere. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Oh no, that's for jumping. Like when we knock them back. Yeah, here we go. So what if I like multiplied the force by 10? Yeah, is that like with the friction, is that too much? We'll see. We'll see how much they go flying. Oh, little yippies, I've got quite the knockback stick here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's too much. Oh my gosh. He's having the time of his life. He's going flying. Whee! Yippee! Oh my gosh. It's like we've got a stick and we've enchanted it with knockback 10. Oh my gosh, this is the Minecraft stick. The knockback stick. Oh my gosh, Mr. Yippee. Oh dear. Oh my. Yeah, I think we've got to tune these values a bit. Oh my. I don't know if the Yippies are having too fun of a time here. Yeah, when we give them a little. Oh my. That's quite the shove. That is quite the shove. I'll say. Yeah, we need a balancing act between the friction and the force we apply. Yeah, but definitely 10 times force is a bit on the high side. Oh my. So I don't know, we can like triple it? I don't know if that's like too much still though. Yeah, we gave it like 0.1 friction, but if we give it, we give our knockback stick some more ability to knock back. How will that fare? How will that be? Let's investigate. Let's do a little bit of investigating and see what we get. Yes indeed. So we do a little bit of knockback. I don't know, that feels kind of weird. Like they're like, is that alright? I don't know. Can I hit you back? I don't know. It looks okay. Yeah. Yeah, also one moment. RIP voice. I'm gonna take a little bit of a water break. Yeah. We're back. We're back from the water world. Okay. Yes. Yeah, let's see what we've got going on here. Because I don't know if this knockback looks too funky. It looks okay, I think. Yeah, that kind of looks alright, actually. Let's see how it fares for the ranged ones. That was kind of the main one I wanted to see. Like you, good sir. How do you fare? Oh wait, that is actually perfect, actually. And he stopped walking too. Oh wait, that is... Wait a minute. Wait a minute, this is good. Wait, this is really good. Oh, I'm feeling good about this. Oh dude, that's like the perfect functionality for like these ranged ones. Like when I hit them back, they like do a little walkie thing. And then when they stop walking. Oh dude, that is perfect. Oh man, I'm happy about that. That's good. That is good. Yeah. I don't even know if that's really... I wouldn't call that a bug fix, actually. We're doing like... I don't know, it's like fine-tuning of how the game works. We're not really... Like, this is more like making the game look pretty than fixing bugs. Yeah. But this is looking nice. I like the knockback we've got. This is very good. Although I guarantee you, on like iPad, it'll like the values will be off. Yeah, because like 300 velocity, it like calculates based on the pixels. So I'll need to apply more force for an iPad because we've got more screen to work with. It'll get they'll need to get pushed back more. Yeah, we've got to think about such things. Yeah. Oh, I'm liking this though. Like these dudes getting knocked back and then they do a little walkie and then they stop. It's good. It's very good. Yeah. Yeah, QOL? Yeah, that's a good way to describe it, Dropshot Hat. Yeah, the quality of life, making it look a little pretty. That's, I would say so. Yeah, I would say this it went from like we're sucking up the bugs in the vacuum cleaner, the bug vacuum cleaner, to like, yeah, quality of life updates. Those such improvements. Yeah, I would say so. Yeah, definitely. Because at least this knockback stuff makes the game feel much more like a one of the games that are out there on the App Store. I don't know. Yeah, it feels more. I don't know. I don't want to say like professional, but it feels more like a game to me when you have like this kind of knockback stuff. Yeah, so we like the little QOL features. Indeed. Yeah. Yeah, I think we're doing good though. We're doing quite good. Yeah. One other thing I wanted to fix was the velocity on the projectiles that we shoot, or at least that the enemies shoot. Yeah, because there's a bug right now when the enemies shoot like a projectile, like say this rock here, like they slow down. Like you can see we're kind of like catching up to it. Yeah, so the rocks are slowing down. Like we want those ones to be like their ice. Like we want them to fly through the air like butter. Yeah, like we don't want to be able to like run past these lasers and such. Yeah, we want the little projectiles to always be to kind of be at the same velocity. Yeah, let's see if I can maybe like catch up with one of these projectiles. Yeah, if like there's a range dude and he shoots up here, it'll be more prevalent. Yeah. Can't you make a declaration at the beginning? Like scale its 1 to content width equal to width of the device? I guess I could kind of do that. Yeah, that might be a better way to go about it. Cause yeah, the way I'm like scaling everything, I'm doing it all like individually. It's kind of a bit overwhelming. Yeah, I'm like basically everything in the game, I'm like scaling based on like the width of the screen. Like these dirt blocks I think are like 1/16 the width, and like, you know, like the size of the Yippee and the size of the slingshot and the arrows and the buttons even, they're all like a function of the width of the screen. Yeah, so if we could like have some kind of like switch statement or something, which is like, you know, if we're on the iPad, then instead of using like the constant width of the screen, use like a scale of the width. Then yeah, that could make things much easier. Yeah. But yeah, because that was actually one of the things that I was like, yeah, that's one of the things that's pending, making it look nice and pretty on iPad. Besides the bugs and the QOL updates. Yeah, so that is definitely, yeah, that's probably a good way to do it without having to update so many lines of code. Yeah, I might go about doing it that way. Yeah. Indeed. Yeah, let's see though. Let's try with these, fixing this like projectile stuff. I think we gotta get it so that these don't slow down. Like, let's try and catch one of these arrows. Yeah. Like 2EM, 3M. Oh, yeah. Like, rather than always pixel or something hard-coded. Yeah, it's kind of similar to that. I know what terminology you're referencing, Dropshot Hat. I remember those such terms in the CSS world of the web dev stuff. Yeah, I remember those kind of things. Yeah, I mean, technically we're not really like hard coding it per se. Like, it is like a scale of like the width of the screen, but like the scale itself is hard coded. It's like all the squares are like 1/16 the width, but like that might not look good on iPad, so it would probably need a different scale. Yeah. because otherwise it'll look pretty wacky. Actually, let me even show what it looks like on iPad right now, because it's it does look pretty wacky. It's wacky world in iPad land right now. Yeah, well, like the Swift version of that. Yeah, yeah. I guess like the Swift version would just be like using like the width of the screen, or like the height of the screen for that. Yeah, I wish they did have. I don't know if they have actually direct versions of like EM, like font size and things like that. Yeah, but it would be nice to have that kind of nuance. But at least the way I do it, I just use like the width of the screen and such things. Yeah, yeah. But yeah, we've got some weird stuff going on in iPad world right now because of like the way we're doing it. Yeah, let's kind of show what that looks like. It's very wacky. It's pretty wacko mode right now. Yeah, let us show such wacky things. Yeah, yeah. Here we've got big ol' iPad. Yeah. And we made it look nice for like some of the views, like the stats. Like this looks nice on iPad, and also the settings looks all right. And even the leaderboard. I can't show it because I gotta log in, but the leaderboard's also kind of fixed. Although this alert is kind of comically small. We'll probably have to increase that. But yeah, we still need to fix like the shop on iPad. Like it's kind of, it looks pretty wacky. Some things are getting cropped, but especially the game. Like here's what the game looks like on iPad. It's it's miniature. Like all the buttons are off, and then yeah, like since the velocity like needs to be faster, like we've got slow motion shooting, and we've got Mr. Little Yippee with this ginormous slingshot. And yeah, even like the enemies spawn in, you can see them like drop in. Yeah, because we're like spawning based on a certain position. Yeah, they're like dropping in like Fortnite, dude. Yeah, you see that? They're like falling in place. Yeah, we definitely need to make the things look much nicer on iPad. Yeah, everything's like scaled weird. Like we're able to outrun this arrow, and when we jump, it's like we're on Jupiter. Like there's crazy gravity. Yeah. But I think we can do like maybe like a one-line fix if we like are able to adjust like the scale that we're doing with the width for iPad. It might fix everything, but yeah, we'll have to see exactly how we can do that. Yeah, we'll probably have to like replace some variables and things, but I think we can get there. Indeed. Yeah. But yeah, it looks pretty wacky on iPad right now. Oh yeah, we also made like the pause view. This looks okay on iPad. Like the buttons are pretty big. But yeah, the game right now is like pretty wacko mode. Yeah, I want to fix that before I get it out on the App Store, so that anyone with an iPad can play the game. That'll be pretty good. Yeah. But right now it's pretty miniature and slow. Yeah, it's like slow motion. Oh my gosh. Yeah. But we'll fix the things. Yeah. But let's make it so that we don't have like the slow arrows, or like the arrows that slow down at least, because we can fix that on iPhone too. Yeah, let's see. Let's kind of see if we can find that again on like our old iPhone simulator. If we can see if we can get those arrows to be slow, and kind of see what's going on there, because I think that's one of the things we can suck up in the bug vacuum cleaner. The slow arrows. Yeah, the slow projectiles. Yeah, because I don't think they're slowing down, or they shouldn't be slowing down. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, because sometimes the enemies can spawn up here. Yeah, like this dude. Yeah, I think we can maybe catch up to like one of his rocks. Yeah. Yeah, you see it's like still going, still going. I think, or maybe, oh, maybe it didn't slow down. Oh, maybe we're actually good. We might be good. Oh yeah, because that was the thing that was happening before. Like these projectiles, they would slow down. Yeah, maybe it's not the rocks, maybe just the arrows? I don't know actually. I don't know. We might be actually good then. Yeah, because I'm not able to catch up to this arrow. Or am I? Oh no, wait, no. Oh yeah, you see now? Now I'm like faster than the arrow. Oh yeah, yeah, we've still got this bug. Yeah, I didn't see it for the rock though, interestingly. But I'm sure it's also happening for the rock. But yeah, look at that. Yeah, we've got to make sure the arrows don't like slow down, and now we've got like a frozen arrow. Oh dear, oh dear. That is not intended. It's like a bird or a plane, but it's actually an arrow. Yeah, let's see. How can we make it not so slow? Yeah, I think it's got like air resistance or something. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what we can do. I have a theory. I have a theory what we can do. But that is definitely a bug that we need to suck up in the bug vacuum cleaner. Yeah. And apply some bug spray too. Indeed. Yeah, let's see. I think I know what to do. So when we like spawn our enemy, we have like a timer for shooting the things, and we can make it slow down. Yeah. Or, like make it so that there's no friction on it, like this stuff. We need to copy this for the projectiles. Yeah. Yeah. Such things. Yeah, so let's try that. Let's try that. Yeah, so let's copy this. And for the projectiles, we shall do this. We basically give them no friction and no. This is like damping. I think it's also similar to friction, but yeah, none of that. We don't want none of that either. Yeah. Actually, we can put this down here. Oh wait, we actually had no friction. So maybe it was just the damping that we didn't have. Yeah. Let's see then. Let us see. So, let's take a little look-see. Let's see. So, if we see one of the little enemies shoot at us, are we able to catch up to their arrows? We shall investigate. We'll do a little bit of investigating, as we do with our bugs. Yeah. And we'll make sure we can no longer catch up to these projectiles. Like, let's check with maybe one of these rocks. We can. Oh yeah, no, that looks like it's a constant velocity. Well, let's make sure with the arrows too. I saw it mostly with the arrows. Yeah, let's see if we can get a dude to spawn and shoot an arrow. Yeah. Although like on a cliff or something. Cause yeah, otherwise it's gonna collide with the terrain and like despawn before it slows down. Yeah. So let's see if we can encounter such a scenario. With like a little arrow dude up here. Yeah. Let us find such scenarios. Here, we must test thoroughly and vigorously for an optimal Yippee mobile gaming experience. Yes. We want the Yippies to be good. As we do. So let us take a gander and see. Oh yeah, and then there's these lasers too. Yeah, no, I think we fixed it. Like I don't see them slowing down. Yeah, like I don't see them slowing down. Maybe I'll check with one more arrow dude. Yeah, like this dude. Yeah, no, these arrows look pretty constant. Yeah, also welcome Redzone. Hello. Hello. Yeah, right now we're working on fixing some of the bugs in our app, and also making some nice quality of life improvements. Yeah, but we're pretty close to finishing, I would say. I think, is that Swift? Yes, that's right, Red Zone. We're writing this in Swift. Yeah, we do like the Swift things around here. Get swifty. I forgot about that. That's true. We are getting swifty with it. Yeah, we like to get swifty. Yeah, I think we fixed that bug with the arrows though. Yeah, this is definitely a Swift shop. We are in iOS Apple world. We're in the Apple ecosystem with Mr. Tim Apple, and we like to do the Swift things around here. Yeah. Yeah, we are definitely locked into Apple world. Speaking of which, there's actually a developer conference coming up soon. The WWDC, as they call it. Yeah. That is on the horizon, actually. Let me show that, because I think, I don't know, I might watch it on my own time. But they always announce some interesting things. Yeah, it's actually tomorrow. It starts tomorrow. That'll be interesting. They'll announce all the new iOS features. Yeah, let me show this, because they've got some cool stuff. They do this every year, and I guess it's tomorrow. Tomorrow's the day. Tomorrow's the big day, where they start day 1 of 4 of revealing the new developer features. Yeah, check this out. I have the call-in mouth. Yeah, dude. Yeah, we respect the Android around here. We do. Yeah. What do I use at work? Yeah, so yes, to reveal, I myself in the software world, I'm actually a .NET dev. I used C#. Interestingly enough. Yeah, we're not actually an iOS dev in the worlds, but I like to do iOS the most. But yes, that is what we do. We do C# things. Yeah, interestingly enough. Yeah, which is cool, because I hadn't used C# before I started working, but now I can use C# to maybe get into Unity if I ever wanted to do some game dev, because that's C# too. Yeah, I hate C# because it's good enough to be good, but not great. It's alright. It's like, it feels like Java, but it has some extra things which make it, in my opinion, a little nicer than Java. But nicer than Java is a pretty low bar. Java is kind of gross. Yeah, it's a little gross. But C# is like, I don't know, it feels like it has like a lot of Swiftian features too. Like it's got like optionals and you know, like optional chaining and things. Because I like Swift. Swift is very cool. It's got nice features, and C# has some of the Swift features. Yeah. Golang is nice. I've never tried Golang. I've heard good things though. But I have not. That is one of the languages I've not touched before. Yeah, that is. I've heard good things though. Yeah, similar with like Rust. Like I've heard good things about both of those things, but I've not tried either of them. Yeah. Well, those are definitely the new kids on the block, for sure. Yeah. I'm not a programmer. Hey, you don't need to be a programmer to have fun with the yippies around here. But yeah, I'd say it's pretty fun though. I'd give it a whirl if you like it. Yeah, because it's fun to make the cool things happen on the computer. Yeah, that's why I like it. I like turning the brain ideas into things. Yeah, at least for me, the programming is a way to do that. But you can always do other things too to express the brain ideas. Yeah, everyone's got their own way of doing things. Yeah. Yeah, actually, I have an interesting story to tell, like how I even got into programming. It was completely by accident. Yeah, so this was actually I started programming back in high school. And actually, so I like this goes way back in the days. Like I was applying for classes to high school. This was like end of middle school, entering high school. I had to pick my classes for my first year. And I was super scared of high school, dude, because that's where the big kids are, and the classes are very scary. Dude, I thought I was gonna like fail out and get really scared. But they had a computer science course in middle school, and it was just typing. It was like typing tests. It's like how fast can you type? So that's what I thought it was gonna be in high school. I thought it was just gonna be like typing tests. And me being the mega gamer that I was, I typed a lot. Yeah, exactly, Redstone. We were doing a lot of the typing thing back in the Minecraft servers. So I thought like, oh, I'm pretty fast at typing. That's gonna be what computer science is. And so I applied for, I signed up for comp sci in high school. And so I thought I was just gonna be typing. And literally the first week, we're doing like binary conversions and like mock programming. And my goodness, man, like when I was scared of high school, that really put me. Yeah, that was pretty wild. But I don't know, over time I started to understand it, and that's kind of why I stuck with it. Yeah. So that's how I got into it by accident. I thought comp sci was all about how fast you can type, but it's actually programming. Go figure. Yeah. It was pretty wild. It was pretty wild. And actually, like I think what really got me into it was like I started making Minecraft plugins. Yeah. I thought you were femme, but maybe not. Nah, dude, I'm a dude. Yeah. I don't want to give the false impression, but yeah, we are the dudes around here. Yeah. I get that a lot though. Yeah, even like, dude, I'll admit, I've got like a pretty, dude, it takes a real man to admit, they've got like a kind of a girlier voice. But dude, I'm not kidding. Like when I go on the phone and talk to people, like more than half the time they think I'm a girl. It's pretty wild. But we clarify. Yeah. It's about how fast you type, but not about how well you code. Exactly. Yeah, and how fast you type also correlates to how good you are at coding. Yeah, because if you're not good at typing, you can't do the coding thing fast. That's true. Yeah. So all good programmers must be good typists, but not vice versa. Yeah. But yeah, check this out. This is WWDC. This is the Apple's developer conference they do every year. It starts tomorrow, so we'll get to see what new features that are coming up for in the dev world. Yeah, like new graphs stuff. Like they usually add some cool things. I think they're doing like AI stuff this year, so that will be interesting. Yeah, I don't even know if they've like got anything listed yet. Looks like they haven't revealed anything, but we'll find out tomorrow what the new things are coming up in the dev world. Maybe some Apple Vision Pro stuff for the headset they've got. I wish I had programmer friends IRL, but I live in an old area and no one programs near me, or they just do websites. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, fortunately, I had like some club stuff in school, so I got to meet people from that. But like, if you don't have like this, if you don't make the connections early for the comp sci stuff, it's pretty hard to find people. Yeah, that's why we like to do the interweb things and meet people online. Yeah. But the thing is, almost nothing runs first try, so you always have to debug. So the quicker you throw the errors, the faster you learn to catch them. That's right, Dropshot Pat. It's like sticks and stones break my bones. But what's the saying? It's like when you make the mistakes, you learn from them and you grow stronger. That's true. The more bugs you have, the more you know how to fix bugs. That's true. They're not hardcore enough casual or posers. Bro, I don't gatekeep. Anyone's welcome into the space. Yeah, we do the silly things around here. Yeah, I encourage programming. I mean, like, even when I started programming, it, like, taught me how to think a certain way, too. Because it's, like, a whole shift of brain thinking. Because then you have to, like, start thinking about things in terms of, like, logic and, like, if statements and conditionals, and, like, it literally, like, rewired my brain. So it's, like, yeah, right? It's, like, because you don't really think about stuff like that anymore. But then things start to become, like, black and white, and it's, like, you know, this is or this isn't. Kind of like how you program in a computer. It's like, do the thing or don't do the thing if this thing is true. Yeah, it makes you very, like, robotic brained. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's definitely it's a whole way of thinking. Yeah. I think of situations as A or B, and then A of A, B of B. Like, I see all possible choices I can make. Yeah, right? It's like, yeah. But we live in an objective-oriented mode, so it's the easiest paradigm to program in. Yeah, exactly. That's probably why the programming languages work as they do. Like, it's probably based off of, like, yeah, how we currently think. Yeah, because it's like, you know, everyone does make decisions, which is like how you program a computer. It's like you tell the computer what things to do, what decisions to make. Yeah, so it is probably based off of, like, reality. Yeah, I would say so. I would agree with that. Yeah. Bro, they aren't giving us the juice in the WWDC stuff. I thought they would leak stuff on the website. But we gotta wait till tomorrow to find out what they're gonna be talking about. Yeah. OOP should only be a documentation thing, Imo. Yeah, I'd say, like, enforcing, like, object-oriented programming. It's like, yeah, it's very rigid. Like, forcing it onto devs is, yeah, I would say at least have the option, but not make it the requirement. Yeah, that's definitely a whole nother discussion. I have a friend who's, like, very much against OOP. He's very, like, he's a stickler about it. Yeah, bits and bits. True. Everything compiles down to zeros and ones. That is what the computer understands. All the words that we program on top of that are just abstractions on the zeros and ones. Yeah. That is true. What is that friend saying on OOP? Yeah, I don't know. It just, like, the general vibes I got from what he was telling me, he just said it's very, like, it's gross and, like, rigid. It's not, yeah. I know, he mentioned it a while back. I forget what he exactly said, but he said something along those lines. Yeah. Just like it's not very flexible. Yeah, I thought we might get some juice out of this website. Well, we'll have to check back tomorrow to see what's cooking in the Apple world. Yeah. But the funny thing about WWDC, though, like, so tomorrow they're going to be announcing all this new stuff in Swift. Like, all this new stuff that you can start building in apps. But, like, you can't actually really use it right away. Because, like, all of this stuff will be coming out in the new iOS version, which I think is, like, what is it, like iOS 18, which is next or something? But, like, if you build an app today, you want it to support the older versions, right? You want it to support, like, iOS 15 or something. It's like all this stuff they're going to be talking about right now, tomorrow. Like, no one's going to use until, like, 3 years from now. Yeah, dude, it's big meme. That's the big meme about this WWDC stuff. Yeah, it's like, oh, the new features, wow. But you can't really use it for, like, 3 years. If you still want, like, people to download your apps. it's no good. Yeah. But it's good to know what's coming up, at least. Yeah. But that is tomorrow. That is tomorrow. Yeah, that'll be fun. Yeah. There was a guy in class with long hair, feminine appearance, but I never knew if it was intentional. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Yeah, there's something it's a stereotype among the programmer type. I'll say. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It'll be interesting to see what they announce tomorrow in this conference. Yeah. WWDC be like new iPhone? Yeah, basically. Yeah, also welcome Dolphinbird. Yeah, it's basically like that, but for in like the dev world. Yeah, it's like what are the cool things that'll be coming out in the Swift world? Yeah. Anyway, I'm rambling. I appreciate the ramblings, Red Zone. It's always interesting to muse on the things. Yeah, yeah. I don't even know if they've like announced anything for this. Yeah, all of these articles are like, what are we expecting? So they literally haven't announced anything. Oh yeah, it's like iOS 18. Yeah. Yeah, I think it'll be AI stuff tomorrow. I think they're gonna be announcing some AI stuff. Oh, actually, this reminds me, Mr. OpenAI dude here. Like Apple made a deal with OpenAI. Like they're gonna start including like ChatGPT or whatever on the iPhone, like in the actual software itself. So maybe they'll be talking about that tomorrow. Like, oh, now you can talk to Siri and Siri will give you some AI recommendation or something. I don't know. It'll be interesting to see what they talk about. Yeah. But we'll see. Do you ever breathe in deep and then say, clench your fist? Hey, there's good ways of relieving the stress. That is one. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes. Yeah. I don't know. I don't really in my personal life swear a whole bunch. That's just a me thing though. Not that I judge, but yeah. But I get what you mean. There's like, yeah. I do similar vibe things to get rid of the bad mind jujus. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this WWDC stuff, they ain't giving us any juice though. Yeah, how do I chill? I don't know. I play some games. Sometimes I play games. Yeah, music for me, a repetitive game. Yeah, it's pretty much for me. Yeah, like the musics or the games. Yeah. Yeah. Oh wait, actually no, I do one thing. I also do another thing. I go out for like runs sometimes. Sometimes. Not that often, but sometimes it's like it's good to go for a run because like then you don't have your phone or your computer. So if someone messages you, then you don't you can't respond to it. You're like forced out of responding to it. I mean, I bring my phone, but like, I'm not checking it while I'm doing it. Tim Apple can't be CEO forever. Yeah, dude, there'll be another fruit to take over. Are you excited about life and possibilities? Yeah, I'm a pretty optimistic dude. I mean, yeah, we're making the Yippee app. Like I have like many such ideas on the mind, and that is what motivates me. I have a lot of brain ideas, and yeah, as long as we've got ideas, there's always things to do. So, yeah, I'm pretty optimistic. Yeah, that's actually one thing I'd suggest. If you're ever like in a rut, try and like do something. Try and do something that occupies your time. I'd say that's worked pretty well for me in the past. Like, make your brain very occupied with something. Yeah, and it helps. Yeah, I would say so. General life advice. Make yourself busy. Pretty much. Yep. But yeah, bruh, I don't think they got any juice here. Why'd you pick a femme avatar? I mean, technically, I'm like, I don't have like I'm like a, the avatar is like a dude with long hair. Well, yeah, I guess it is pretty like, pretty femme, I'll admit. Yeah, it's hard to see though. But we're flat. So cute, how dare you? Yeah, I appreciate it. It's very Sephiroth. Yeah, true, it's true. I like the aesthetic. Yeah, I like that aesthetic, drop shot, Pat. Yeah, I like similar Sephiroth like aesthetics. We like that kind of thing around here, so that's why I chose it. Yeah, yeah. An interesting thing though, like about the model. Yeah, I made the model myself in a program called Vroid Studio, but I didn't make the clothes. I got the clothes off of a website. Yes, but that is the lore behind model creation. Yeah, Vroid's pretty nice for making 3D models, especially like the VTuber kind. It is designed for that. Yeah, so that is some interesting model lore. Yeah, I know a lot of people put that in their description, but I forgot to put it. So just a verbal description of that, I guess. Yeah, there's two types of guys I would never pick. I would never pick a woman avatar. Second type is, they look cute, why not? Exactly, why not? I say, we do the good thing, why not? Yeah. But yeah, I don't know. I like the aesthetic, especially like the cyber themes, because I like to do the programming thing. So we like to look nice and sharp in the cyber sphere, so to speak. Yeah. Also, thank you for the follow, Akechi Dao. Welcome. Yeah, we're doing a little bit of yapping. Yeah, we talked a little bit about the WWDC coming up tomorrow, because there's a new convention coming up. Also welcome, Divine Depression. Thanks for the lick, bruh. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what they announce in this tomorrow, but we won't be able to use it for a while, I imagine. Yeah, although I do think there's gonna be some AI stuff that comes out tomorrow. In the Apple world, for iOS 18, they're probably gonna be doing some ChatGPT stuff, or the like. Yeah, I'm actually interested. What is this? What does Bloomberg think? I'm gonna open this. Yeah, I'll hopefully not leak. Yeah, hello, welcome to the stream as we do a little bit of the yappening. Yeah, we're gonna see what they're speculating out here. Oh wait, never mind. I need to pay the website to view the thing. Yeah, that's no good. We don't like to pay the things. Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna open this. I don't think this is leaking. Yeah, here's some speculations on what's coming out tomorrow. AI. That's kind of the thing I've been hearing. I think they're gonna be doing some AI stuff tomorrow. Yeah. Do you know about Finster? I am aware. I am aware. Yes, I've heard of him. Yeah. I haven't watched him, but I know of him. Yeah. He's or rather it's she now, my bad. That's my bad. I think she came out. But yeah, I've heard of them. Yeah. Recently. Yippee, indeed. Yeah, let's see what's coming on. So we've got AI and stuff coming out in the world. Apple has reworked Siri to use large language models. Wait, that's literally what I said. I said they were gonna put like ChatGPT or some kind of thing in Siri. Wait, they're definitely gonna be doing this. Yeah, they're totally gonna be doing that. Yeah, they're gonna be doing some kind of like, you're gonna be able to call Siri and they're gonna be giving you like some ChatGPT response. I bet you that's what they're gonna be doing. Yeah. There'll be some of that. Oh yeah, this open AI stuff. So yeah, yes, ChatGPT things. Literally, the AI thing I'm saying. I expect that tomorrow. What else? Some green bubble thing. I never actually. Yeah, I've never heard about this being a problem. Like the whole bubble stuff. It's pretty wild how much attention from guys he's getting by playing the fem game. Hey, if it works, it works. You gotta respect it. Respect the hustle. Yeah, yeah. I think for him now, it's not. I think it's like more personal now. I think he's really, or she now is. Yeah, it's much more personal. I've heard. But yeah, I think at the beginning it was. Yeah, is more like that. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, let's see. Customizable home screen. Dude, I don't know anyone who uses these features. Dude, there's some, like, they revealed something, I think in the last WWDC, or it was the one before that. Like, something where you can, like, change the lock screen. Like, you can add, like, different widgets and things on the lock screen. Dude, I have not touched that. Or, like, even, like, I think they did some background stuff. Like, dude, it takes, like, the UI for it is so complicated. It's too much of a hassle to change these things. Yeah, so if they're gonna be doing stuff for the home screen, I don't know. Unless it's like really cool, I don't know if I'm gonna be playing around with this. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Oh, they're doing Mac updates too. Yeah, that's not so exciting, the Mac things. I am on Mac Red Zone. That's right. Yeah. We are on the Mac right now. Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately, we kind of have to do that for the Xcode. Yeah, I wish they had Xcode on like Windows though. They don't make it available. Yeah. You need like a Mac VM or a Mac itself to do the iPhone thing. Yeah. That was actually one of the reasons I got a Mac in the first place. Yeah, just to get like Xcode downloaded. Yeah, because that's in the Mac App Store they've got. Yeah. Oh, we do the Mac thing. But only for iOS development. I use Windows for like everything else, like gaming and such. Yeah. I never had one. I do Linux. Oh, interesting. Yeah. Linux is cool. It's very, very flexible. I've never had a Linux myself, but I have some friends who have Linux. I've got a friend who has Arch. He's got Arch Linux, and he's a very big-brained individual. Yeah, I've heard it teaches you a lot because you've got to know your way around the whole the terminals and things and such. Yeah. Well, yeah. I kind of use a mix between Mac and Windows, like both. Maybe I should not spend time learning Linux. Yeah, and do programming more. Yeah, dude, I've heard, I've seen some people kind of like that. They kind of get super invested into an OS, a Linux distro, and then they forget how to do the programming thing. Yeah, I just do default Debian. Oh, interesting. Isn't that that's like one of the oldest distros, isn't it? That's like the original. How's that? Is that good? I don't actually even know how that looks, but I've heard that's like the parent of all the modern distros. It's good, well supported. Oh, nice, interesting. I'm surprising it's still. I guess it's not that surprising it's still supported, but I thought since it's like older, it might be like, not as supported anymore. But that kind of makes sense. Like if it's popular, then it's gonna have support. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. That's pretty neat. It seems like tomorrow at this WWDC thing, it looks like everything is just gonna be AI focused, which is kind of to be expected. That's the time, isn't it? That is the time. The 2024 thing is the AI thing. Yeah, it is the ChatGPT, the generative AI, Yes, exactly, Red Zone. It is AI all around. Yeah, that is the thing. If you're not on the AI train, then what are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, that's how Microsoft got the big bucks. That's how they. Yeah, isn't like Microsoft like? I don't know how valuable they are as a company now, but they really. I think they went to like at least number 2 or 1 or something. Yeah, because of their open AI investment. Do you have an AI, bro? So I should just add AI to my Kali terminal. Hey, drop shop out wherever you can stick it, you put it. That is the name of the game now. That is the name of the game. Yes. Wherever you can stick AI, you just plop it on in. Yeah, that's what even they're doing tomorrow. They're like, oh, we can just stick AI in Siri. That's like Apple's new innovation. We're gonna do the AI thing for Siri. Yeah. Yeah, that's like I'm gonna AI these. Precisely. Yes. Yeah. That's what this looks like is happening though. They're just gonna be doing the AI thing. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see what else people are speculating about. Because I don't know. I feel like there's more to just AI than can you lig my you got a case of the ligmas. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna see what else they're speculating about what's coming out tomorrow. Yeah, I don't see anything. It just looks like they're talking about AI stuff. Yeah. Oh, there's some more speculations here. Let's see. I gotta scan the page to make sure I don't dox myself. But I think we're good. Yeah, I think. Yeah, they're just saying some stuff about. Yeah, iOS 18. That's the new thing. Yeah. Oh yeah, literally just like iOS 18, the AI update. Basically. Oh yeah, so here's what they're gonna say it's gonna do. Photo retouching. Thoughts on Buddha. We don't go into the religious themes here. We like to not get the ban hammer. we tread thin lines on controversial topics. But yes. Yeah. Yeah, what is this? Auto-generated custom emojis. Yes, now you can have AI emoticons. We like the emojis. Oh, AI code and Xcode. Wait, this is for me. Wait, this is good. Wait a minute, now I don't have to keep a ChatGPT tab open. If I can do this in my Xcode. Wait, this is good. This is good stuff. Yeah, it's like GitHub Copilot, I guess, for Xcode. That would be good. Yeah. That would be quite nice. Because they kind of force everyone to code in Xcode. So if there's no Copilot, then you don't really have an alternative. Yeah. What's something you like but maybe you shouldn't? I don't know. That's a toughie. That's a toughie. I don't know. Fixing app bugs. Yes, everything mobile focused. I don't know. I'm kind of addicted to it. But you probably expected that answer. Yeah, I don't know. That's a toughie. I'll have to muse that one. But yeah, we're kind of we have the mobile stuff occupied in the brain at all times. I hate mobile. It ruins social life. Yeah, there's some truth to that. Yeah. I would say it probably maybe like social networks, like Facebook. I think that probably had a pretty big impact. when the Facebooks came out, and now you have everything. All your interactions are through the website instead of through the face-to-face thing. Yeah. Yeah, I would say such things. Yeah, we must revert to monkey and go live in the woods. That reminds me of an app I made about the industrial society and its future. Yes, I made such an app for that. Yes, I would say technology has its ups and downs, to be sure. Yes, but I would definitely say a down is the social part of it. Have you read 1984? I have not, but I kind of know what it's about. It's like Mr. Big Brother is always watching, and big government and spying on everybody. Isn't that kind of what it's like? I think such themes are in that novel. Yeah, it's about that. What about Fahrenheit 451? I've heard of that title, but I don't know what it's about. I haven't seen that one. Red Zone. Yeah, I'm not sure about that one. I've heard of the title though. Oh, it's by Ray Bradbury. Okay. Everybody dies, loving Big Brother. Yeah, that's the theme of the thing. Drop shot pat, exactly. Yeah. It is the scary thing out there. You know, whenever I think of Big Brother and 1984, I think of what China's doing with like their whole spying on people system. Like, don't they have like public shame walls in their cities for people who like, I don't know, like say bad things about the government? They have like actual like electric boards of like people, and they show them and they like dox them. Yeah, that's the foreshadowing of the book in 1984. Yes, it's pretty much. It's like the same thing. Let me see if I can pull that up. Yeah, because that is like an actual thing that happens there. Yeah, China, like wall, like yeah, electronic board. Well, let me search it up, and then I'll get back to it because I don't want to accidentally show something bad. Yeah, because they have an actual thing. I think it's part of the social credit system, where they like show the faces of people who it's like commit crime or something, or have low social credit score. Yeah. They have like these things they show in the streets. I think it might have been like people like jaywalking. They like show their face and like all their info. It's pretty dystopian. Yeah. It's quite wild. Yeah. I can't find an image, but it is a thing. It is a thing that happens, and it is quite a bruh moment. I'm pretty dystopian. Oh, how so? Because am I Big Brother? I've got my eyeball on you. Nah, we're friendly around here. We're good. But that's what a dystopian person would say. Yeah, you'll have to trust me. You'll have to take my word on it. Yeah. But it is pretty wild out there. You gotta watch your back. Bro. What you doing there, man? Bruh. You acting all silly there. Yeah, they don't got the juice yet. We'll have to find out what the juice is tomorrow for the iOS 18 things. Relatively groundbreaking, they say. I don't know, man. I feel like this AI thing has kind of been overdone. At least as far as like what I'm expecting them to put in the iPhone. Yeah, the Yippee juice. Yeah, dude, if they add Yippee juice to iOS 18, I think that will be much more exciting. Yeah, dude, that would make the app much more cool if they make it all zoomy on Yippee juice. That would be quite good. Yeah. don't know. I don't know if they're gonna be doing that many cool things. Yeah, I just see like, I mean, I'm kind of looking forward to this one, AI code and Xcode. That'll be good for me. But the other stuff is kind of just like auto-generated emojis. Oh wait, so I guess like if you're like typing a word, you can replace it with an emoji. I thought they already had that though. Yeah, I thought they already did that. Yeah, like you can type like a word right now in like iMessage and it'll put an emoji. Yeah, was it ready? Yeah, to these groundbreaking features. Yeah, suggested replies to emails. Bro, Gmail already has this though. What are they talking about? Are they talking about like the inbox app on iPhone? Bro, who uses that? Bro. Am I fit? I don't know, should I leak it? I think I'm okay with. Yeah, I'd say so. I would say so, Red Zone. Yeah, wait, like, cause I did mention I go on runs. We kind of, we like to keep it all right. Yeah, you like jogging? Yeah, me too. Me too. A little bit. It gets the mind off of things. Yeah. It is good. Plus I get to listen to music too when I do it. Like all the nice tunes. And we get to discover some interesting songs. Yeah. Yeah. It's very nice. Yeah. I would say so. I would say so. Yeah. But it's good to be fit and healthy. It keeps the you know what, like this is kind of a weird reason that I like it for. But if you think about it, if you're like more fit and healthy, then you get to live longer, which means you have more time to do things. Like for me, like I can make more apps. I can make more apps by having a longer lifespan. Because I want to make apps until I can no longer make apps. Because I'm kind of addicted to it. Yeah, so if I can stay healthy and sound of mind, then I will be able to make more apps like the Yippee memes and such things. Yeah, so that is one incentive. Yeah, eating is also wasted time. I'm also of a similar mindset. Yeah, imagine if we could just drink Soylent or inject the foods, then we would have more time to do other things. Yes, exactly. We must min-max the amount of time that we have in the day to do the productive things. Yes, optimize everything. I'm all for it. I think that's probably what technology is going towards. It's all about like optimizations. Like I bet you, I would not be surprised in the near or distant future, like everyday tasks would start being automated. Like even things that like you wouldn't think a robot would do or an AI would do would be like done for you. Like I think that's where tech is headed. Yeah, and then eventually we'll all become Wall-E people, and we'll just be sitting in little Wall-E chairs and have blended food. Yes. So I had heard about this, but I hadn't decided Worm GPT or Shell GPT. Yes, precisely. We'll have the everything become AI and GPTs. Indeed. Like babies. True. Yes, yeah. That's probably true also, Redson. I think they'll probably do some like artificial stuff like that. Yeah. It's jailbroken AI ChatGPT for Kali Linux. Oh, heck. Oh, I haven't heard of that. Interesting. Oh, I thought they were talking about like, oh, we'll turn the worms into AI. I didn't know there's an actual like GPT. Oh, for Linux. Oh, I guess that's why I haven't heard of it. I haven't worked a whole lot with the Linux stuff. But yeah, that's interesting. I didn't know about that. No Worm GPT or Shell GPT. Huh. Intriguing. I didn't know so that like the OS has a GPT. What do you think about AI companions? don't know. I mean, like, shall we go into a more philosophical discussion? I think, like, AI companions, it's like it's pretty novel. It's pretty new. It's interesting. It's out there. I don't know if it'll. Okay, I'll say this. It probably does have a negative effect on like birth rates and such, because like there's already like pretty low birth rates in the first world countries, right? So it's probably gonna even get worse with these AI companions and such. Yeah, but I wouldn't say it would make it like marketably worse. Just like it's part of the issue, but not like a plurality. Like if I had to put it to percentage on like what causes low birth rates, I would not put it higher than like 1%. Yeah. We have to get to work on that side. Yeah, that's when you mentioned like the bebes. Yeah, I feel like that's probably what the AI stuff is gonna help with. Cause yeah, people aren't going out there and doing the thing. So yeah, and I would say tech is probably part of that. yeah. But I don't know. I don't think like AI companions are like at a stage right now where it's like that much of a problem, because like it's still all like in a website, right? Or like an app. Like you open the app or the website and you talk to the AI chatbot for like the companionship or whatever. But I think once you start injecting that into like an Android, then it would be like probably much more widespread of an issue. Like say you had like actual like robotic androids with like the AI like language model, and then you had those in like every home and they were affordable and cheap, or maybe not even affordable, like just like, well, everyone had them, then you would really have a problem. But it would be the same technology that's existing today. You would just stick it in like a, you know, like a robot and have it, you know, also have motion capabilities from like some motion like machine learning model, but with the same chatting capabilities that we have today. Such dystopian futures, I think. But yeah, it's the start. It's the seed of a potential possible future. Maybe. I don't know. That's kind of what I think, my own musings. But I don't know if we'll be there to see that. I don't know. Who knows? Such interesting things. Yeah. But yeah, I think AI is pretty cool though. I like how you can use it to make things and, you know, get answers to things based off of like all of people's data. Like ChatGPT, I think is pretty cool for like a Q&A service. I like that. Yeah, because I can just regurgitate the Yippee code into the ChatGPTs and see what it thinks about it, and maybe even get a solution, or at least a thought towards one. But yeah, I think it's pretty interesting though. I think we're still at the start of it, but it will be interesting to see what comes out, what new things there'll be. Yeah. It is cool. It is pretty cool. Yeah. Well, let's see. What were we fixing? I forgot. I think it was like something to do with the little projectiles in our game. Yeah, we made it so that they no longer slow down. Yeah, that is a good thing. Yeah. Yeah, so let's see. Also, I think my Xcode crashed. Oh no, it was super slow. Yeah, maybe in the WWDC tomorrow they'll say, oh, we're making Xcode faster. that would be pretty poggers. That would be most welcome. Yeah. Let's see though. Let's see. Yeah, I think we fixed the bug with these projectiles being like constant velocity, or like they were slowing down, but they're no longer. Yeah. Also, we did the thing where we like knocked the Yippies back more. Yeah, so now they've got like more knockback. Yeah. Are you an NA? I will not answer that. I'll go into some detail, but yeah, at least that one I won't say. Not, yeah, at least not yet. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll be more comfortable with sharing that in the future, but yeah, for now I'll leave it up to speculation. Yes. Let's see. Why secret? I don't know. I'm just like I'm kind of schizo about it. I'll admit I'm a little, yeah. It's just for I don't know, peace of mind, I guess. Yeah. It's only for the brainworms. Yeah, we got some good stuff going. Antarctica. Yes, that's right, Dropshot Pat. We are in one of these scientist research stations in Antarctica. Yes, we are streaming live from what is it? They've got like McMurdo Station, I've heard. That's one of those bases there. That's where we're streaming from. How deep is your voice? If you speak from your chest, bro, I'm not willing, but I'll say not very. Yes, we are. I don't know. We are vocally. I don't know. I don't want to say limited in that regard. Yes. Yeah. But yeah, I know some people some VTubers put on a voice, but I'll say this is my actual voice in in the real world. Yes, this is we don't do the fake thing, but yeah, I'll say that. Yeah. Oh, we've got some good stuff going. Squeak. Yes, precisely. Let's see what we've got going. I think we need to maybe adjust the knockback a little bit of this. Oh yeah, one thing I also want to do is make it so that we can swing faster. Cause yeah, look at this dude. He's swinging. He's going wild with his sword. We're gonna lose a melee fight with him. Yeah, I like this knockback though. This is nice. This is the optimal amount of knockback. It is good. It is pretty nice. Yeah. So, what's left on the docket? What have we got to fix? One thing I wanted to fix was this was a really hard bug that I haven't been able to really figure out yet. But it's it'll make it look nicer. But you see when I swing the stick and I turn, it sweeps into the ground. That's because the angle is trying to be the same, but when I turn, it doesn't match up. And the enemies do the same thing. Like Mr. Bat Dude, if I get him to turn, see it swings his bat into the ground. And we want it to swing in the same angle but the other way. So that's another thing we need to fix. But that's a doozy to fix because it involves timing and animations, and you also have to consider when you're pausing. You have to pause at the right angle. It's very well, it looks pretty simple to fix. It's kind of nuanced. Yeah. Oh wait, he's kind of. Oh no, yeah. I was about to say he kind of fixed there. But he's doing the thing again. Yeah, it'll look nice if we kind of have it go at the same angle from the other way. I think so. Yeah, I think so. But I think we've got some good stuff going on though. We've got some good progress, I would say. We got the knockback on the enemy Yippies. We made the projectiles not constant velocity, or we did make them constant velocity. We didn't make them slow down. We also added the little pop-up when you don't authenticate with the game center. We added this little pop-up. But yeah, I'd say we got some good stuff going. But yeah, as we do, I think now that might be a good place to put a stop to the things. So, but we got some good stuff going. We yapped a bit too. We like to do a little bit of the yapping. But yeah, we'll see, interestingly, what comes out tomorrow, though, with the WWDC conference. All the AI things. And yeah, maybe they'll stick ChatGPT into Siri. That's kind of my theory of how they're going to go about it. But yeah, I think we'll probably wrap it up there for now. Yeah. Do you ever find it funny when people are acting tough and mean online? Find it funny. I don't know. It's more so like, it's just like when people are mean online. It's just like, ugh, why you gotta be that way? There's always a positive leaf to turn. Yeah. I just like, I wouldn't say like funny, more like, it's like, oof, why would you do that, so to speak? I don't know. Yeah. But anyway, I think we're probably at a good stopping point. Yeah. Oh, yeah. If it's more like a playful thing, I would say it's all right. Yeah. Oh, I just read the whole thing, bro. That is sus. Yeah. I don't know. I interpreted it as sus. It's fine. Whatever. I don't know. I'm thinking of weird things. Yeah. Anyway, I think we're good. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah. That's true. That's true, Redson. It's good to have a bit of rough housing, but yeah, I think we're at a good stopping point. Yeah. So thank you for watching. This was part 35 of building a Yippee mobile game. Yeah, we did suck up some more bugs in the bug vacuum cleaner, but we also did some QOL updates. Yeah, we made it look nicer, but yeah, we're pretty close on the home stretch of things. We've just got some more bugs to fix and making the things look nice on the iPad. But yeah, we fixed some more bugs. We don't have that many left. And yeah, then we'll be ready. We'll be good. And we'll send it to the Apple gods to review, and we'll find it. We'll hopefully get it reviewed and approved. I hope. Yeah, dude. If they reject it for some reason, I'm gonna cry. Well, hopefully once we get the app submitted, it'll go along nice and smoothly. But yeah, we're getting close to that point. It's yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed the streams. Yeah, we like to do the mobile Yippee game dev thing, the general mobile thing. Yeah, and we'll be back. Yeah, on Friday we like to do the streaming thing on the Fridays and Saturdays at the 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and that's when we do the streaming thing. Yeah, so keep an eyeball out. We'll be back, and I don't know if I'll like finish everything before then, but we might do some more game dev stuff, some Yippee things on that day. So yeah, that'll be good. But yeah, hope you all enjoyed. It was nice yapping and talking to you dudes. Yeah, we'll catch you later. Yeah, take care. and have a nice weekend. Bye.